Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What is this? It'd be helpful if I sent out the emails to y'all. Let's see. Gotta get things set up on TikTok, YouTube, all that good stuff, as you guys know. I think we'll be trading through open today. In my head. Let me just get a few things set up. I think I'm gonna go hunting for some money real early here. Oh, shoot, fire. Today's the 23rd. Oh, God, I'm going to hear the end of that one. Oh, well. Yeah, today's October 23rd. It's crazy. It's the end of October, isn't it? Wow. In my head, in my head, in my head, in my head. Okay. Let me get a few more things. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. In my head, in my head. All right. Now, let's see if we're actually live on TikTok. Yeah, we look good on TikTok. Let me see if we're live on YouTube. In my head. Sell stop on something. 5-second SPX looks like. Let me in my head. Almost done. Usually I have most all this done before we go live, but I'm still half asleep, even though I did all my exercises this morning. In my head. Let's see. Atlanta. How's everybody doing this morning? And now I believe we're all set. Let's go over to there. Yep, looks like we're live on YouTube and Twitch. Let me make sure we're live on TikTok. And then we'll get things a rolling. On my head. In my head. Yes. We are live on TikTok. What's up, Crypto Cartel? What's up, Popcorn? What's up, Kai? On both says someone, I can't read. Tommy, I think that's Tommy. Good morning, Tommy. All right. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Glow. What's up, Mike Kalinsky? Blessed morning to you, Orlando Walters, and good morning. Jan Fly to the Sky. What's up, Jan? What's up, Tom? Good morning. George Hyde. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Bradley. What's up, buddy? Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Tony Plesh. So good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Let's dive into things, get things rolling. In my head, United States of America is granted safe trade system, a trademark. The only one on earth that I'm aware of. 4, Class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading that protects, obviously, the name of safe trade, all the indicators, the patent pending, protects all the actual workings of the indicators. In my head, our NDA also protects the system legally and all these things. For myself, not a financial advisor, demo trade only. No one with the system is a financial advisor. Conduct your own due diligence. Trade only demo like I do. I'm just a social media influencer. Please visit the store. We have cool merchandise, cool merch. You're an adult. You make your own decisions. We only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. Also, please agree to the facts. The old ways we were taught to trade, like fib retracement, look to the left. Naming of candle and candle patterns, VWAP, Bollinger Bands, all that bullshit does not work. But don't take my word for it. Here are the facts. This is the entire article. Na, na, na. Why the majority of day traders fail, by Oliver Krasowski. And he talks about things. And he quotes Dave Ramsey, who's just quoting a 14-year study. Studies have shown that more than 97% of day traders lose money over time. Less than 1% day traders are profitable. 1% of day traders are profitable. Almost everyone who attempts to day trade fails, except for safety traders. 85% of day traders quit within the first 3 years of trading. Please type yes if you understand all those little issues that I just talked about. Good morning, Larry. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Mike. Good morning, Boost. How you been, brother? Morning, George Hyde, Larry Cooper on TikTok. Thank you all for being on TikTok and YouTube. I will enforce that a little later today. In my head. I still have several trades open. No, not as many as I thought. Damn, that AUDUSD is being a pisser, isn't it? I have a long-term NAS open buy. I have a long-term gold buy. I have a short-term gold, which I have to check to see if we've met all the qualifications for getting rid of that. And then this AUDUSD thing, which will not turn positive, AUDUSD buy. We'll give it time. In my head. Sell stop called out for SPX, 5 second. Sell stop called for NAS. In my head. Nothing to call for US 30. All right, let's get rolling. Good morning, Guy Berger. We're going to flip through quite a few of these charts. Let's get a groove on and a move on. Gold. Let's see what we can find. 5 second buy. 5 second buy, stop gold to the blue line. 10 second buy, stop gold to the blue line. 15 second buy, stop gold to the blue line. 1 minute sell stop gold to the blue line. In my head. Ooh, buy stops. Love the buy stop. 4-hour buy stop, gold. Still finishing, almost done. Daily buy. So let me show you. This is the reason why I took that trade. Let me go to the other gold chart. Just kicking fucking ass on gold. Matter of fact, I'll close this trade down. I bought the, where's that trade at? That small gold trade right here. Nice. I bought this small gold trade. I'll definitely close it down by the end of the day. Just because, for one reason only, to show you how powerful the sniper is, how powerful the system is, how easy the system is, how easy the sniper is. When it came down here and touched the orange line, I did a 0.01 buy. I knew for a fact that once it went down and touched it, by the time the daily pink line went up and touched the blue line, that's all you need to know with trading, is I would be in the money, and I am. You don't have to worry about entrances, drawdown, anything. Matter of fact, I don't even think I have a stop loss on this. I don't have a stop loss on this one. I can care less. I knew it was going to go up. Period. I'll close that down later today. Because pink line's almost gone up and touched. Now, personally, I'm holding the bigger trade because it's going to take a lot longer. I've got shit tons into that. We're good on that. So there you go. Gold yet again in your mind, so you guys are understanding. 26.40 to whatever the new high is. Over $300, over $100 an ounce, sorry. Over $100 an ounce from here to here. And then I also have a little larger trade on gold. Morning, BCM. Good morning. Nan. Good morning, Nan. Good morning, Mr. Gold. Oh, who's Mr. Gold now? I like that. Good morning, Joe Biga. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Matt Parker. Hope everybody understands gold. Waiting for gold to do its weekly pullback down here. It'll go down for probably about 3, 4, 5 weeks. Retouch the orange line, and we'll get back in again. You'll see this pink line pull down. U.S. oil, 5 second. It's going to arch up a little bit, do a sell. 5 second, 10 second. 1 minute. Yep, a little late on this. To the 5 minute blue. Jeez. 10 minute blue line. Wow, we are way too late. All right, here we go. 1 hour buy stop to the blue line. Oil, UK and US. Sell 2 hour. In my head. Yeah, sell. Daily sell. Daily, weekly sell. And then you're looking at a buy again. Buy US oil, basically monthly. It's 3 week. That's about it. Oil's kind of sucky. I wouldn't do much with it. EURUSD. Nope. 5 second sell too late. 10 second too late. 1 minute too late. Okay, well, where's she going to then? 15 minutes sell. 30 minutes sell. You go. Already hit the 3 hour. Already hit the 4 hour. Already hit the 7 hour. Already hit the 12 hour. Fuck. Oh, okay. Daily. Buy. Interesting. Daily, weekly buy. There's nothing here. Because then you're going to look into the sell of the 3 week, the monthly sell. I would just stay away. There's nothing to do. There's no blue lines. Don't play EURUSD. Demo trade if you were. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. GBB JPY. Good morning, old school Mick. 1 second buy stop, GBB JPY to the blue line. 5 second. Preferably, I like this 10-second sell to the blue line. 15 second towards its 30-second blue line. Then look for, love the trade, 3-minute buy stop. Probably going to turn into a 5-minute buy stop, actually. Yeah, it's too far away on the 1 hour. You guys missed this. I see a pullback to the orange line on the 1 hour. Yeah, the 4 are too far up now. Told you guys when to get into this shit, you should have listened to me. I've been screaming GBB JPY. Take any buy stop. And you still have this opportunity, by the way. Yep, until the 3-week blue line is touched by this pink line on the sniper. Perfect. Easy trade. Call this on 8-6. I mean, you'd be up, whatever. Don't care. Let's take a look at this one, however. AUDUSD. Sell. 3-minute AUD. 3-minute sell. Too late. 10. Oh, come on. It's getting boring. 30-minute. 1 hour. 1 hour. 2 hour. To the 3 hour, it hit it. 4 hour, hit it. 7 hour, did it hit? I would play any buy. I would play any sell stop on. Come on. Come on. It hit it. Hold on. Nope, hit it. Damn, it's going steep. I still say it's going to flip. Buy stop. AUD USD daily. 0.67409. Not a financial advisor. Demo trade only. Yeah, that's all. We're just testing it out anyways. I want to see if we get the ricochet to the blue line, which I believe we surely will. Yeah, I'm really comfortable with that trade. USD CAD. Oh, let me see something here. Yeah, we're almost to the point. We're going to see the pink line separate through the blue. That'll be your first sign to get in if you wanted to follow the demo trade rules there. So, yeah. USD CAD. In my head. Let's see, where's it going? Buy stop 5 second. It's already late. Too late. It's already past the blue. It's already past the blue. In my head. 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Love the trade. Weekly, you're too late on. Yeah. USD CAD, not much happening there. Well, it's pretty shitty. We only need one, but it's still bad. I don't give a shit. XRP is a buy. XRP buy. Called it back on 625. Well, hell, I've been calling it for a year and a half, which we made good money on. We caught the run up to the $1.98 and stuff. Yeah, whatever. Still calling it. Ethereum. I thought so. Bet you a million we're over that. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Give them a nice big read. Nothing. 5 second, 15 second buy. Ethereum, 5 second buy to the 10 second blue line, to the 15 second blue line. If you don't know what a buy stop is, it's a future pending order. If you don't know what the blue line is by the system. 3-minute sell. In my head. Okay. Ethereum's going to arch up, ricochet, come back down like that. Okay, that's a horrible drawing, but you get the idea. Yeesh. Yeah. Play any sell stop to Ethereum hits its 30-minute blue line. Play any sell stop. I would prefer you to do 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, but whatever. Sell stop to the 30-minute blue line of Ethereum. Boom, boom. Buy stop. Ricochet, I've been calling this now. I already called the first time it touched. Buy stop, little longer term. 2-hour buy Ethereum to the 2-hour blue line. 3-hour buy stop to the 3-hour blue line. 4-hour buy stop to the 4-hour blue line. 7-hour buy stop to the 7-hour blue line. Hope I'm clear. In my, there's still, I got to call it. Let me see, is this 12? It is. 12-hour sell stop to the 12-hour blue line. But then, and a daily sell to there too. Then it's a weekly buy. Weekly, monthly buy. Gosh. Bitcoin. Let's see how my longtime best friend, John Verrilli, calls it a shit coin. I tried to buy it at less than, it was like $1.20 a coin. It's just did its 5-second ricochet to the blue line. In my head. 5 minutes sell. 5 minutes sell. Bitcoin, you can play any sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. Yep. In my head. Forming a 12-hour buy. It's got to come back down just a little. Yeah, I see it's too high now. You got to see this blue reset. I want the pink to come down, the blue to stay high this time. I would draw it all out for you, but I ain't gonna. But that's Bitcoin daily, buy, weekly, buy. This is where I called it at 56,000 on 9/8. The signal service, tier 3, called it at 54,000. Just so you know. Amazon, play any buy stop you can find on Amazon. Any time period, play it. Costco, almost to the point now. Play any buy stop you can in Costco, period. It's for the next several weeks anyways. Okay, that's everybody, everything. I wish we had more shorter term ones though. Oh well. We'll come back to them, see what we can find up here. All right. In my head. That was right at 20 minutes for the call outs. Yay. Now let's see if we can make some real simple demo money trading US 30 NAS and SPX. Maybe gold in there too. Give me 1 second. In my head. All right, microphone. Do. Microphone. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Just made a whole bunch of call outs. In my head. In my head. Everything. I don't even know where the hell that song came from. All right. Oh, man. I guess since I can reset up the TikTok and make that my... Yeah, I think I'll do that. Morning, Dr. One Fly. What's up, buddy? Good morning, Tyria Edwards. Good morning, Matt Parker, Lachey, Old School. What's up, everybody on TikTok, YouTube? We just got done calling out, I don't know, 15, 20 different symbols. Anybody have any other symbols they'd like to ask me about, please do. If you have any safety trades that confused you, please ask about those now. We're going to do a lot this morning, a lot. I will be checking back all the time to see if we can make some money, quick money on US 30 NAS or SPX. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line US 30. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line NAS. No, not SPX. Not yet anyways. In my head, and if you want a little bit longer ones, by longer, oh my God, this is crazy that I'm trading this. 10 second sell stop NAS. In my head. In my head. All right. 30-second US 30. Yeah, 30-second sell stop US 30. Depending on how you want to look at things, I think you're going to see a little pullback for the next little bit, and then you'll see the flip on the up. But whatever. We'll come back to it and check. Let me see gold real quick. Can we get anything in gold? Nope. 5-second. Nope. 10-second. Nope. Nope. 30-second sell. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 sell to the 30-second blue line of gold. 1 minute sell gold. Or if you're much more patient like I am, love the 10-minute buy. It's going to develop. Love the 15-minute fill in the gap buy. Love the 1 hour buy. Love the 4 hour buy. Don't forget, all these shorter time periods, I call them the micro levels. The quantum level, 3 minute, 1 minute, 30-second, 15-second, 10-second, 5-second, 1 second. All these levels, they can go up and down 100 times while these 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour daily buys develop. It's just the way it is. These things can go down many times before the bigger picture, before these smaller ones. It's a rule. That's what happens before these develop. That's all. Simple. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, Twitch, soon to be Twitter, soon to be Instagram, soon to be Facebook Live. I'm going to go back on all those platforms. What the fuck? Well, at any rate, it's fine. We're going to do that. All right. Let's see. Now, extremely important that we all understand something. We have tiers into our tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, into our signal service. And if you go to our tier 3 signal service, I used to pay $1,500 a month personally for a signal service that never gave me one right signal. Now I'm going to go ahead and we shouldn't look at that one or that one. So we'll hold. Here we go. Let's go back far enough. UK 100. Let's pull up this symbol right here. On October 16th, there was a new signal from our tier 3 signal service. Best $350 a month you'll ever spend, because it gives you out signals that actually might be demo trade worthy. D1. Now these ones, all the freedom indicators, tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, all these Discord indicators are going to get a free upgrade for entrances. So don't worry about that. Matter of fact, I'll show you where the original call is, and then I'll show you the future call, how it's going to come out to you. Go to your daily charts and take the signals. Do not take the trade. You cannot verify using the rules, blah, blah, blah. Well, let's look at it. UK 100, we're going to go over there from tier 3 signals. The best money you're ever going to spend. I swear you get the actual signals on your chart. That's insane. We got to turn this off, though. All right. Now let's go over to here. Just to make sure we have a fresh one on, we're going to go over to here. We're going to go over to 10-2. We're going to go over to weekly, daily. Yeah, that's what it called. It was a weekly, daily. And we're going to see what the signal service called. There we go. So here's the signal service. Look how cute that was, right on mine. So we turn on our Freedom signal service. This is the call out right. We'll zoom in a lot for you guys right here. So at the end of this one, if you'd have followed the rules, you'd have got into here. And of course, they put everything so fucking close. Trading View's got to stop. All right, let's take a look. This is where the signal went out. You could have bought it right here. Your drawdown would have been about, let me see again. They put everything so close right there. About 40, depending on entry. If you did immediate upon the signal, probably about 40 to 50 pips on your stop loss. It's okay for an indice on that. Of course, it turned around and I can't fucking see anything. Shit. Right It looks like it went higher than that. So let's go right here. Up 127 pips the first time. You could have ridden this anytime on the 12-hour, 4 hours, and so on. You could have ridden this up. But about 120 pips, and it's not done. It is not done. Let me be clear on that. Still going. Yep. So it called it out perfectly. You'd have made 120 pips on this tier 3 signal if you took market order. Oh, let me show you what it's going to look like now, though. So let's show you what the actual entrance will be. You'll start to see a little more accurate calls. And by a little, I mean a shit ton more accurate calls. So you have even less drawdown. So let's go from here. And let's go forward. Oopsie, let me take care of that and take care of this one. Let's go forward and show you the first one. Would have been here, right there. I don't know how many pips that is. Let me go back to that and see. You could have made immediate 13, somewhere in the range of about 20. Okay, so just to say immediate 13. Nope. Hold on. Yeah, 30-minute. Oh, well, this must be. Oh, you have a lot more. Look for 30-minute buy stops on UK 100. Look for 30-minute buy stops on UK 100. Let me be clear on that. Okay. Because, yeah, this is going to be some money right here. Yeah, it hasn't even gotten started yet. Let this keep going down. Let it flip over. Buy stop, UK 100. Any 30-minute buy stop you see when everything turns green, opposite of this, the inverse relationship of this, green, red, blah, 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 blah. Take that buy stop. Trust me on that. That's a good future trade. It's a great future trade for all of you. Okay. Oh, people are writing. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Mike Steiter. Hello. So when you said they form on order, for example, 15-minute buy, the 1 minute and 5-minute sells to have form, but sometimes 5-minute, 1-minute sells don't form. Yeah. They don't have to engage. That's why they're called buy stops, Igor. You put your buy stop or sell stop in as a future pending order. They don't have to engage. As a matter of fact, usually on your 3-minute and 30 minutes, they won't engage. They'll flip and go the other direction. That's why you'll see on our scanner, we'll talk about in a minute how that works. Good morning, Igor. Yes, 15.6 form, but 1 minute, they do not. No, that's incorrect. They do. They all form. Whether or not they engage is a different story. Again, we don't do market orders. Well, the signal service, we're making it so you guys can do market orders. But generally speaking, it's a buy stop, as you hear me call out, or a sell stop. Meaning if you put it in where you're supposed to following the rules, then in which case you can either engage that order or not. That's why we don't use. Kind of basic. That's what we're known for, actually, is the buy stops and sell stops. We don't do market orders on our normal trading. On the signal service, we are starting to implement that because we can get it down to the exact moment in time, I guess you could say. Okay. All right. Da 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 da. So that's our tier 3 Discord signal service, UK 100, up over 100 pips. That's the UK. Oh, did it again. What day was that? Same day? I think that's October the 11th, even earlier. Oh, fuck. We'd have made even more money. Huh? Well, okay. You get the idea. September 24th, even better. Wow. Awesome. NAS 100 on September the 6th. This is a new order right here. Well, old new order, but this is an order back then. September 6th, Safety Trade System weekly, daily, tier 3 signal service, demo, Awanda NAS 100, a buy on the daily. So let's go to the daily, and this is at what time? September the 6th at 1, Athens. All right, let's go over to September the 6th. Let's go over to NAS. And let's look at this trade that was called out. In my head. Looks to me like this would be the call out. Let's see. September the 5th. Yeah, that's close enough. So September 6th. Now, we're going to go with the original call out, which was here. This is NAS. This is a Discord Signal 3. Yes, we have a signal service. I'm going back all the signals that have been called since inception. You'll see a 100% win rate, and usually by hundreds, if not thousands of pips. You'd have eaten 400, 500 pips, which obviously your stop loss would have been engaged if you'd have just took market order on these trades, which you're not supposed to. So let's go ahead and mark this. If you'd have followed the rules, entry would have been half moon. You would have got in right here. You would have had zero drawdown on this trade, zero drawdown on the trade. And let's see how much that would have went up for you. I can't see. So let's try that again. You would have had zero drawdown and up 1,300 pips with zero drawdown following the rules on NAS. If anybody has any questions on that, please ask. Good morning, Evan. So this is the rules. You follow the half moon. You wait for the thing, blah, 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 blah. Everybody knows what the rules are. You'd have got in right here. You'd have been up over 1,300 pips with zero drawdown if you would have followed the rules from this Discord signal, 1,300 pips. Is 1,300 pips on a trade a lot? Yes or no? Some of you probably don't even know what that means. The average pips for traders, I will refuse to name professional traders. They are not. They don't know what they're doing. Is 10 pips a day. I'm telling you, this trade that was called out by the signal service was over 1,300 pips. Is that a lot of pips? Yes or no? On a signal from the tier 3 signal service. Larry says laughter out loud. Yes. Nadal says yes. Yeah, that's a fucking shit ton of pips. 1,300 pips is a good laughing point for Larry because it is psychotically a lot. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Nadal. Correct, Bradley. The correct answer would be a fucking shit ton. I don't know what that comes out to, but I'm going to go ahead and say in Naz's case, that's a fucking shit ton. Now, we're going to go ahead and look at possible entrances for this one. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you can see what, so we had a drawdown, huge drawdown if you just took the market order, which you're not supposed to with these signals. If you'd have waited for the rules upon entry, you would have had zero drawdown and 1,300 pips. Stefan says a lot. Yep, absolutely. What's up, Henry? What's up, Henry? Good morning. Sorry you have to go to work. We had two in the last month. We had three, because we had an email. I can't say who that was. 3 people retire using the safety trade system in the last month. Yay, to our ever-growing list. I want every one of you to get to that point. All right. Now, this is called out on a daily, weekly, but I'm going to show you guys something. I'm going to show you something so fucking cool. We are refining the entrances on this, so you don't have to worry about the rule entry. This will be your entry right here. There it is. There it is, baby. There's your buy stop would have been right here. You would have had zero drawdown again. And then let me just see what this would have done for you. Oh, Jesus. I don't know. I would have never lost. So, let's see. We would have went up. You would have had 1,300 pips with zero drawdown. It would have called it on the right. So in other words, everyone in tier 3 and everyone below, the tier 3 people, you're getting a free upgrade to your entrances. So now when it calls out the signal, you'll be able to take a demo market order only. And it will get you, again, the proper entry. Look at this shit. It's amazing what you're about to see. So your old rules that you currently have is the half moon, blah, blah, blah. Now you're just going to get a signal telling you to do a demo market entry at this time. So tier 3 people, yay, you guys. This is a free entry upgrade. This will be implemented soon. Very, very, very soon. I would say by the end of November, you'll be getting that. Okay, let's keep going. So we're looking over. We just called out a whole bunch of buy stops and sell stops and over 15 different symbols, maybe 20. Now we're looking at each and every signal service because it shocked me yesterday how good this shit was. Bitcoin buy weekly on September the 3rd. September the 3rd, Bitcoin buy weekly. So let's go over to weekly Bitcoin. And let's see what we shall see. We do have a problem with this. Yeah, September. Yeah, no. So this one was it? No. September. Yeah. So we're going to have to go back down here. But the buy would be somewhere right around there. I don't want to September. Oh, it is. This orange line is roughly right here. It's even better. Holy shit. Are you kidding me? This is too much. Yeah, it caught the very bottom. September 3rd. Right here. So yeah, it called out. What am I saying? It called out. The Discord service called out a buy on Bitcoin was basically 55,000, beating my call out of 56,800. And of course, Bitcoin went up from 55,000 to 68, 60. I have no idea what it hit. 69. So it called out $14,000 a coin on Bitcoin with this signal from tier 3. Is that good? Is $12,000, $13,000, $14,000 a coin on Bitcoin a good signal? Yes or no? I'll wait. It isn't rhetorical. Is $12,000, $13,000, $14,000 a coin? The question is $14,000 a coin on Bitcoin good? Yes or no? Tier 3 signal service called this signal September the 3rd, 3 UTC time, unedited. So we have a 1,300 pip NAS. We have a $12,000 per coin Bitcoin profit, and we had a $100 per gold, $100 an ounce gold coin called. Outstanding, says Larry. Thank you, Larry. Grant says yes. HG3 says yes. Okay, thank you, guys. All right. Next signal that was, previous signal that was called was on August 20th, SPX. This is the signal. New signal, August 20th, 1 o'clock. Safe Trade System Freedom Weekly Daily Signal Service. Announcing a possible demo trade. Symbol, SPX, buy, weekly. Do not trade unless you follow the rules, blah, 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 blah. Demo only. So we're going to go over to SPX buy weekly on August the 20th. We're going to go over to SPX, August the 20th. Weekly daily, it was called. So let's see here. September, August 20th. This is one of those entries that could be cleaned up. It won't be cleaned up. What's the future thing? But it's correct. August the 20th would be here. So let me go over here and tell you how many. This is insane. August the 20th was here. There you go. And let me see on that. Yep, right here. And it was a down one on this date right there. Okay. So the drawdown would have been 175, which is entirely too much. But if you'd have took the first order and not have been a greedy pig, you would have been up 90 pips with no drawdown on SPX. Then if you would have been a greedy pig, you would have got slaughtered. Of course, you'd have had to eat some of the money. And then if you got in where you're supposed to, following the rules, you'd be up over 300 pips on SPX. So we have 300 pips on SPX is legendary. 90 pips on SPX is exceptional. 300 pips on SPX is legendary. Period. It just is. There is no other way around it. It's amazing. Not even asking you guys on that one. Good morning, John Parker. Igor, NAS 4-hour sell form, then it went up on daily. That's what it does. Yes, Igor. You have a real hard time of understanding common sense. Igor, listen to me and quit harping on the same shit over and over again, or I'm going to have to put you in timeout. When you're saying NAS 4-hour sell formed, you're under direct orders from me, and everybody here knows this, for the last several weeks, only to play buy stops. Listen to what I'm telling you. You're only to play buy stops, especially from the 3 minutes and above. You're talking about a 4-hour, then went up on the daily, because that's what the fuck it does. It forms the smaller sell stops, forms the higher buy stops. Oh, Igor, I'm done. Don't comment again on that, Igor. Don't do it. We'll have advanced training next Monday. You can come over there and do it. I'm just not dealing with it this morning. Sorry, bro. It isn't happening. If you don't understand the common sense factor that the smaller time frames form those higher time frame buys, and if you don't understand that, okay, let me pull up here. Let me help Igor out here, and probably a few others of you. Look right here, Igor. This is a video. This is a picture used by one of my members to teach his children and grandchildren, okay? So I'm going to teach you like a child since we're having trouble here. No offense to anyone listening. Your weekly, daily directions. The river flow is this way. Do you see it? The flow of the river. You see the little people in their little kayaks or whatever those are, the little rafts? This is your direction. Direction of all lower time frames go against the flow. Follow the overall direction and you won't drown. Meaning, if you take your weekly, daily, and you only take the buy stops on the smaller time frames, Igor, you can't miss a fucking trade. Am I clear? Everyone out there, type a 7 if this makes sense to you. If poor Igor doesn't catch this, I can't help it. The only reason I'm getting on to him a little bit and not a lot is because Igor has now, for the third time this morning, interrupted my training. I'm done. This is for a child and a grandchild, Igor. The weekly, daily direction he's pointed to is going this way. Do you see it? Let me draw it out for Igor a little clearer. The weekly fucking direction is going this way, Igor. Look, this is your weekly direction. Look, this is your weekly flow. Look. Okay? Now look, Igor. For the 15th fucking millionth time, all the lower time frames flow against it. Flow against it. Flow against it. You can take those trades at your own risk. They will work on the 3 minutes and under the quantum level because that's how these fucking other ones are fucking formed. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my calm self. I don't know if Igor has a system or not. That's a good question. Igor, do you have the system? If you do, follow the fucking rules, please. That is a very good question. Maybe he doesn't. I don't understand. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Oh, God. All right. So this is what it is. Yes, there is. This is his child. He sent me an email. I forgot what age the child was. His child took the trade that was the part of the buy stop for, I think it was SPX, whatever. Took a trade, demo trade only. Took the trade and it went against him. And his dad goes, "Oh, don't worry about that." I got to really put the credit up here. He gave the picture to me. I think it was Larry. Don't worry about that. It'll turn around. And of course, the trade turned around and made money for him because that's what you do. Good morning, Brian. We were just going over all the every trade. Let me be clear on this. We called out all the little trades already. We're going over the Discord tier 3 signals. Matter of factly, if anybody has an issue with tier 3 signals, please let me know. But we're going over all of them so far. The gold signal produced over on tier 3 produced over all of them, by the way. We're going over all of them other than the two current ones. The gold one produced over $100 an ounce. The NAS one produced over 1,300 pips. The SPX one has produced over 300 pips. Poor little Igor is just starting to annoy me, so we're having to address the situation there. It is a great example, isn't it? Right there. All right. So the next one, and don't forget, oh, by the way, let's look at our entrances for this. It was September this, let me make sure on this one. Oh, sorry. It was August the 20th on Oanda. Let's go back over here to August the 20th. Is right up here, I remember. All right. Now, let's take this, if we can go back that far. I think we can. Yeah. Let's take this to any buy stops, 30-minute buy stops. So you'd have made money immediately with no loss here. That's what we're going to do, a free upgrade to tier 3, where the entrances are going to be tidied up and tightened up. So you'd have made nothing but money on those two. And again, on the third one. Nope, not yet. Yep, nope, not yet. Right there. We're waiting just for full on 30-minute buy stop is what you're waiting right here. First one right there. Oh, nope, doesn't count. Doesn't count. Yeah, here you go. First one right here. Green, 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 red. It has to be everything assembled. You'd have caught all the pips from here up. So let me go over to here and tell you, with no drawdown whatsoever on a daily trade, by the way, just so we're all on the same page. So somewhere right there. It would have been right here. Yep, no drawdown. You would have made 242 pips with zero drawdown on the SPX, which is insane to be able to pull that off. The sells on the lower time frames are what forms the red on the buy stop detector. Yes, exactly correct, Grant. Igor, do you have the system? Answer the question, yes or no. If you don't answer the question, if you have the system, Igor, you're going to be tossed. Wow. Lord help me. Nice fella, but just needs to study and put in a little more time. That's all. All right. Next Discord signal was NAS 100 buy. So if we look over here, you're going to see a new signal, August the 20th. The Safety Trade System Freedom Weekly Daily Signal Service announcing a possible demo Freedom trade. Oanda NAS 100 buy weekly. Do not take this, blah, 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 blah. Demo trade only. All right, let's take a look. Signals here at tier 3. Yes, they are amazing. I'm just wondering, because some people, we've well over 100 people in the tier 3 signal service. We have maybe a half dozen who've canceled it for financial reasons here or there. I'm over here trying to show everyone out there that the tier 3 signals aren't just a little good. The tier 3 daily, weekly signals are outstanding good. There's 2 current ones called. They have to be developed. I'm not going to go over those with people because people are paying for those signals. I'm going over all the old tier 3 signals, and there's not that many, but there are a few. And damn, when they're called, they're perfect, just so we're clear. Oanda, NAS on August the 20th. Let's go to NAS now. Only makes sense that that's when SPX was called too. I'm going to have to go down to the daily, though. Daily, probably this one right here. No. August the 20th. Here. Okay. Oh, it's going to be the same thing as, let me pull this in. It's going to be the same type of entry because of when it was called. So NAS would have went up. Let's get that clear. August the 20th, right here. So that was a green. So right here. August the 20th, if you'd have did a market order, which you're not supposed to do with those, you'd be up, if I can fucking get this shit to work right. I'm just going to say 1,000 pips, whatever, close enough. So that is 1,000 pips on NAS. Now let me see if I can get us a little better entry, though. I do want to 1,000 pips with like 50, 60 pips initial push, which you could have took that profit and got out. Then it dipped probably 500 pips or more, so you couldn't have taken that trade. But if you'd have followed the rules with the half moon and all that stuff, you'd have entered in down here even better. Holy shit. Hold on a second. If you'd have followed the rules instead of just taking the market order, which you're not supposed to do, but again, we're trying to get every signal over to market order, you'd have made 1,200 pips. 1,300 pips, somewhere around there on NAS with little to no drawdown. But let's go over. I want to see something on NAS. We're going to go over to here, and I want to see my 30-minute one. Buy stop. Yeah. Again, nothing but profit, nothing but profit, nothing but profit again and again and again. So everyone in tier 3, you'll be getting much cleaner and more entrances for your weekly, daily, and your daily 4-hour. That's being coded by the great Keith Palmer, but he's got a few other projects ahead of it. Oh, you don't. Okay, Igor, I'm done. Igor says he doesn't have the system. Well, Igor, I'm not going to answer any more of your questions until you buy the system. Let me be clear on that. So you have to quit saying things, quit trying to scam. If you support the system, put your money where your mouth is, just like you do in everything in life. Wherever you put your money in, things flow. So if you believe in the safety trade system, Igor, then that explains all your dumbass questions. Holy fucking shit. Yeah, because people that have the rules and people that put in the time and people that study actually wouldn't ask the questions you're asking, Igor. So buy the system. I've helped you out enough at this point. You're good. Wow. Damn. Answer his questions for a fucking month straight and he doesn't buy the system. Get the fuck out of here. I'm good. That's being a cheap ass bastard and I'm not having any part of it. Matter of fact, Igor, I'm about to give you a little timeout. Wow. People in this world. Wow. Scam our people out here like you guys. Buy stop here. Buy stop here. Yeah, I mean, it's just incredible. Discord tier signal 3 August 20th. NAS is just a huge buy. It was just a huge hit. USD CAD August 9th. Let's see if this did anything. This was a daily August the 9th. USD CAD. Let's go over to USD CAD. Mr. Cole just proves the system works. Yeah, I know, right? All right. I'm going to leave this comment up, though. All right. So let's go over to USD CAD. Over to here. He was asking such elementary, basic questions of the system. I don't understand. And then he's so slow, he didn't even understand what the fuck after I told him it for the 20th time over the last month. And he doesn't get it. Wow. US 30 analysis for the day. We already did that, Umar, but I will. Yes, sir. Just a second. All right. This is tier 3 signals. Matter of fact, I'm going to have to go back over those and put up the numbers. Here's tier 3 signals. Let's see. This is daily. What was the time period? Sorry. Daily. Yep. USD CAD August the 9th. Daily. Holy fucking shit. I'm going to go ahead and say this one made money. So let's go to August the 9th. Here, let me go over to here to get our little thingamajiggy. August the 9th. I want to do this on the new way too, right here. All right, so right here. It made 131 pips, but that's it called the right sim. This is what happened. This daily became a weekly buy. So you had immediately here to here, August the 9th. Let me see something here. August the 9th. Okay, your immediate return on this trade would have been from here to here. You would have meant from here to here. About 50 pips. So you'd have made 50 pips immediately on USD buy. Now, if you'd have followed the rules to entry, the rules to entry would have been the half moon. You would have got in here and got out here. So here to... Why do they set this shit up this way? It's insanity what they do. Okay, that didn't help at all. Hold on. All right, and if you'd have followed the half moon entry rule, you'd have got in from here to here. You'd have made 105 more pips. Then you would have followed the rules to entry again, which would have been another half moon to the orange line, and you would have made over 300 pips. So by following the rules, you'd have made 50 pips, 100 pips, and over 300 pips. So you'd have made 400 pips on this one trade on the Discord. If you'd have took just the market order, which you're not supposed to do with those trades, and not follow the rules, you still would have been up over 130 pips. over 100 pips. So either way you wanted to do that, any one of those ways would have worked. That's a hell of a successful trade. Now, what I want to do, though, is let's go back, shall we? Let's go back. And let's see every time we see a 30-minute buy. Watch the fucking amazing shit on that. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Good morning, Nan. Good morning, Filio. Buy stop. Here we go. All right. Here's your first one right here. Oh, we would have made a shit ton. Watch this. Second one right there. All in the money, by the way. Third, fourth, and fifth to the blue line in the money. In the money, sixth. So at any rate, seventh. You'd have made so much money. Watch, it's going to do it again to the blue line, 30-minute blue line right here. 8, 9, watch, it's going to go right to the blue line. Told you, 10. There you go, baby. There you go. Boom. There's your blue line hit. Yeah, so you would have had a dozen. So the current way of what was called out for our USD CAD back on August 9th would have yielded you an immediate 50 pip profit if you took market order. You're not supposed to. You says follow the rules in this particular thing. Then you would have made 100. Then you would have made 300 if you followed the rules. The new way is you'll have over a dozen times to go into this one trade. It's going to be fucking amazing. Your entry with little to no drawdown on a daily trade, weekly daily trade, just so we're clear. Remind me, Umar, to go over US 30, please. It's already been done, but I'll do it again for you. Good morning, Nan, and thank you for answering. And Filio, good morning. Good morning, LD. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. Good morning, Nadal. Thank everyone for being on TikTok and YouTube. I'm going to enforce that later today. Not right now, though. Meaning you guys have to go from YouTube to TikTok. All right. We're going over tier 3. Tier 3 signals we're going over. And let me be clear on this. Matter of fact, let me start writing this out for you guys. Let's start writing it out, shall we? Let's see. We'll go over to here. And we'll go there. And we're going to go... Well, let's go all the way back. Hold on. All right. Well, let me finish this up. Then we'll come over to that. Then I'll write them all out for you. USD CAD August the 9th. USD CAD August the 9th. So you'd have doubled up your money right there. Google. This is August the 5th. Gold. Holy shit. US 30. Holy shit. Are you kidding? Oh, I've already been an hour. Hold on. I got to do this. Just 1 second. Yay, verification complete. GBB USD, we just did it. July 25th. Look at all this money. I'm debating how far back I want to go because this is getting Ethereum weekly. July 20. I want to see that one. Let's see that call. Daily NAS. Oh my God. These are such good signals. GBB. I'd like to see that GBB JPY one too. Amazon buy. I bet you made money on that. Amazon, Google buy. All right, so here's your type form. Let's start with, it looks like the first one. Let's go back to Google, July 16th, shall we? So July 16th, Google. We've already called out over 15 symbols. You're welcome, Umar. Let's go over to Google. Let's go back to, because I want to write these down. Google buy daily, July 16th. Google buy daily. July 16th. Oh, hold on. Daily. All right, let's see. This one, oh, I see why. This is a daily. This is going to be well, it's not a win yet. So let's go ahead and mark it and tag it though. July 16th. Well, it's showing the buy was here on August 19th. Let me see. There we go. July 16th. Okay. I don't know. We'll have to go inside that time period then. Let me go. What time was that? Hold on. July 16th, Google, a buy at 2300. So that had to have been the end of the day of the 15th. Nope, end of the day of the 16th. Oh, hold on. Let me get rid of that. All right, let's see. Yep, it would have been somewhere around here. There it is, right here. Okay. So the call out went out here, right there. Okay. So where were we? Okay. So that's that. And it would have drawn down, and then let me see that one. I can't see it. Yeah. Draw down 183, about $7. And then the immediate pull up after that would have went from 183 to $4. Yeah, shitty as fuck. I don't like that trade at all. But I'll tell you what happens so we can, because it's not done. Let me be clear. The trade itself is turned into a weekly instead of daily buy. See, there it is. And that's why this will end up being a huge winning trade. It's just too early in. You'd have made a few dollars on the buy. I don't consider that a win. I consider that a no contest until we actually get this weekly to determine whether or not, when this pink line goes up to the orange line, or the blue line hooks and comes back up to the orange line on the weekly. Yeah, oh yeah, this is going to be a huge win. Matter of fact, take any buy stop you can. This is a freebie for you guys on Google until the 3-week pink line right here on Google. Listen to what I'm saying. Goes from down here up to here on the blue. You'll see price action go from where it is all the way back. I can see Google going up over the next several months. Yeah, I could see it going over 192. But yeah, that's how that looks. So right now, I'm going to say that is an open call on the Discord first signal. And this is a buy. If you'd have entered in following the rules, you'd had a $7 drawdown and a $4 profit. I don't like that at all. I'm telling you all, listen to exactly how you play this. Google, play any 30-minute buy stop you find. Play any 30-minute buy stop you find. Has to be a clean one. Green, 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 red, pop up, you made your money. Okay? Any one of them. Here's a good one right here. Green, 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 red to the blue line. Perfection right there. Yep. That was your money. This would have been where you made your money at right there. So Google, a nice free call for you guys. Yay. So let's go ahead and mark this down. How am I going to do this though and still see? We'll do this. We'll take over the whole thing. Let's go over to here. Let's not make it too big because we have quite a few calls. So the first ever was a Google buy. I'm going to put down open. I am not counting that it made $4. That's bullshit. In my mind, I'm not counting. That's bullshit. It's not enough money. Morning, D-Hoss. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube. We've already called out over 15 different symbols. Made a little money on each one of those, I believe, especially the sells that were called for NAS and SPX US 30 initially. They're just forming higher time frame buys. Okay, now let's go back here. All right, we're going over the Discord signals. We have a buy Amazon on July 16th. Tier 3 is incredible. Tier 3 signals already have produced gold, gold $100 an ounce, NAS 1,300 pips, SPX 300 pips. It's been nonstop win after win. We have an open order on Google still. Play any 30-minute buy stop you can on Google. Trust me on that. When you see a clear buy stop, it's going to kick fucking ass. All right. Next one. This is Amazon buy on July 16th. Amazon buy. Let me switch over to Amazon. I love Amazon, as you all know. Amazon buy. What day? We need daily. We need July. Oh, must have been right here. Here we go. Let me go over here. All right. July. Okay. Let's go ahead and put that in here. This is an Amazon buy. This is right here. Right there. Okay, so Amazon buy right there at that bottom, I see. Amazon buy called out correctly at roughly $180 an ounce. It went up to $196. That's good. $16, and it's going to keep going up, by the way. It's still an open trade. Play any 30-minute buy stop you find on Amazon. Play any this is all freebie. This is all exceptionally good information for you guys to understand. Play any 30-minute buy. There's one right here. Boom, perfection. Any 30-minute, another one, correct. So under the old ways, you'd have entered in once. Under the new ways, you'd have had another 3, 4, 5 with 0 to little drawdown. Again, correct again and again. I'd play any, there's another one. Buy stop, 30-minute Amazon. Absolutely demo trade the fuck out of that trade. It's perfect. Perfect to do for Amazon. That's another freebie for you. All right. So the Amazon one was up $16 an ounce, $16 a share. I think immediately it was up. Hold on. This is this one from here, the 16th. Go back. Here. 185. About $5. I'm not counting that bullshit. If you'd have followed the rules, you would have had one entry here with no drawdown, 176 to 181, $5. If you'd have followed the entry here of 173 according to the rules, you'd have been up $22 with no drawdown, by the way. The new entries, you'd have just had multiple entries on that one. So this is, what is this? Amazon. I'm just going to take the overall picture one. So Amazon up, we'll just say $12. $12. It was actually 14. Profit and open. So it's still going. I'm telling you, take every 30-minute Amazon one. I didn't even spell Amazon right. You can find. Okay. Tier 3. Let me go back to here, by the way. Let me go over to here. Oh, shit. Hold on. Tier 3 signals. Results. All right. That will work. Now let's close that off. Boop. Gold 5-minute buy hop, says Diaz. I don't know, Diaz. I'll take your word on it. Good morning, Tank Dog. Good morning, Builder Vadis. Good morning, LD. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. All right. Next. Amazing 2 signals, by the way, both accurate. GBB JPY daily, July 1st. GBB JPY. Boom. Daily. July 1st. Daily. Somewhere around here. Nope, too far. Here. Okay, so the initial daily call would have been right here. Let me grab this real quick. GBB JPY, the initial call, if you would have took market order, which you're not supposed to do, you'd have made over 400 pips. Fair enough. And then if you'd have followed the rules like you're supposed to do, holy shit, you'd be getting a lot of money. So $400 400 pips initially, and then another 400 pips. And if you got in where you're supposed to, which is where I called it for you, you'd be up 1,127 pips. So if you follow the rules, you'd be up 1,100 plus 400. You'd be up 1,500 pips on GBB JPY. That was a GBB JPY one, right? Yeah. Daily buy GBB JPY on July 17th. So this trade right here, GBB JPY, GBP JPY, 1,500 pips profit, 1,500 pips. And going, by the way. Profits and open. Okay, so that's 15, that's not dollars, my bad. That's 1,500 pips. That's a pretty good trade, I'd say. All right, and still going. Let's go back. Discord. Let's see. Next one that was called was July 20th. This is NAS 100. July 20th. Didn't we do this one? NAS 100. Daily, July 20th. Nope. Down here. Nope. Over here. Nope. Over here. Here. Right here. Yeah, that's where we did it. July 20th was here. So a second. So down here. It was down here. Okay. July. Nope. 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 There. So there it looks like. All right. Following the rules. Oh, shit. Hold on. Following the rule entry, you'd have made a little, like 30, 40 pips, looks like. Following the rule entry, the first time you'd have made 1,400 pips. Following the rules the second time, you'd have made, I can't see. Fuck. You would have made 1,400. 4,000? Oh, 455. 455. 455. So you'd have made, and going. Whoa, hold on again. Let me see that number again. Hold on. Is that right? Here to here. That's 1,400 pips. Well, then what is this from here to here? Oh, I was wrong. 50. Oh, my God. You'd have made at least 1,400 pips twice on this trade on NAS, following the half moon rule and following your entries. Now, if we'd have did this on the 30-minute level, holy, let me look at the 30-minute level. Hold on. So that's basically 2,800 pips. There's a buy stop to, yeah, no drawdown, no entry, no drawdown, no drawdown, no drawdown, nope, no drawdown. Entry here. Nope, would have entered right here. No drawdown again. So yeah, you'd have entered in multiple more times. Multiple more times. Wow. Buy stop, NAS, 30-minute. Another free call out for you guys listening. Good morning, Brian Flores. We're going over tier 3 signals. We just did NAS. I think we're going to be seeing NAS multiple times. NAS had 2,800 pips over plus and running and open. 2,800 pips for tier 3 signals on NAS. GBB JPY, 1,500 pips. Let me change those words. Jeez, oh pizza, I swear to God. Profits, what the fuck does that even mean? Pips. There you go. And then over here. Pips. Boop. Oh, shit. Hold on. I didn't double click it in. There we go. And we're showing every last trade The only one that is not in the money currently is Google. Google is well, it made money. It made like $4 a share or something, but I don't give a fuck about that. But it's open. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Google. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Amazon. Play any 30-minute buy stop on GBB JPY. Play the NAS 30-minute buy stop right now, currently. Okay. Next. 2,800 fucking pips. Jeez, a fucking pizza. And people cancel. Who is the silliest person on earth that would cancel a signal service that is making you just these first few ones? Look, 1,500 pips, 2,800 pips, whatever. And we're going to tidy that up. I'm telling you, don't worry. We're going to get way better entrances for you guys. All right, next one. Called out July 23rd. Safety trade demo Coinbase Ethereum. Oh, let's see this one. I want to see this one. So it was July 23rd late. So, well, first thing in the morning. So July 23rd buy on Ethereum weekly. That's going to be a hard one to see, but I'll do it. Let's go to weekly Ethereum. I'm probably not going to be able to. We're going to have to stay on daily, but you'll get the idea anyways. July 23rd. Right here. July 23rd. Oh, we got caught because of that thing. That's funny. This might be really bad, but we're going to have to go from here to the, let me go over to July 23rd. Right there. Okay, let's see July 23rd. July. Right here. Right there. July 23rd. The 30-minute way you would have made money on that trade. Otherwise, this is an open trade. This looks, you'd have been tapped out. You would have lost from 3,374. You'd have been tapped out somewhere around here, about $300 a coin. And let me go over here to weekly and see what we see, because it is a weekly. I don't want to misspeak. Yeah, this is a really big, this is turned into a weekly. This is an open trade. I would play any 30-minute buy stop you can find, Larry, on Ethereum. I would play any buy stops. This is an open trade. This is turned in from a daily, weekly to a weekly, monthly buy stop. Again, I would just hold this trade. It will go up from when the trade was called. That's for damn sure. And then absolutely it will. But it's a better entry would be coming up on the weekly. So another free call out for you guys. Let me mark this down. I'm going to say out of all of them, this one is the shittiest one. So this is Ethereum. This is a, I'm going to call that a loss initially, but open. And it's going to make money. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Ethereum, period. Play any buy stop, 30-minute buy stop on Ethereum, period. Play any 30-minute buy stop on NAS, which there's one today. Play any 30-minute buy stop on GBB JPY. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Google. Play any minute, that's going to be a fantastic one. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Amazon, and it's fucking incredible. I would still buy that every 30-minute buy stop. Okay? So a whole bunch of free call outs for you guys for going through this. Next one. SPX, I guarantee you this motherfucker made a shit ton. SPX July 24th. Buy daily SPX. Let's look at SPX. And let's go to daily. And July 20. Wow, that's a while ago. Oh my God, this thing's going to be so much fucking money. It's going to be a joke. Oh, it's a daily. Hold on. Let me go over to here. Here, this one? Nope. May, June, July 24th? Oh, it must have been right here at the start. No. July 24th, right here. Okay, so yep, there it is. So right here, if you'd have took market order entry, you would have eaten a shit ton of pips even for SPX. Let's see how many that would have been for you. 400 pips, impossible. Well, you wouldn't have taken, if you took market entry, you'd have lost somewhere in the neighborhood of 100 pips. Again, too big of a stop loss. On SPX, the rules state to take 20, 30 pip stop loss, but whatever. You're not supposed to take market orders, so let's see if you'd have followed the rules the first time. Entry would have been here. You'd have made over 100 pips. If you'd have took entry rules again, you would have made over 500 pips. Sorry. If you'd have did it this time right here, you would have made another over 300 pips. So that's US 30. So following the rules, which these orders are in, it's over, let me go back here though. It's over 800 pips, 500 once, 300 another time. So let's take a look at this and go back. Now I want to see the 30-minute rule entry, which is what's coming to you guys. Nope, no trade. Yep. One buy stop, 0 drawdown. Buy stop, 0 drawdown. Buy stop, 0 drawdown. When did it go up? Went up first. 0 drawdown again. You'll see. Yeah. So it's just over and over and over again. You'd have had those. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, they wouldn't have counted though because it's not a full on buy. Buy stop. Oh, right here. 0 drawdown. 0. Might have had to eat that. There must have been a news day on that one. And then perfect entry right here. Yeah. Anyway, you guys get the idea. Okay. So the two then, it was a 300 and a 500 on this one on SPX buy. So this is SPX. We're going to run out of room, aren't we? The SPX buy called out was 300 and 500, says 800 pips and running. Take any 30-minute buy stop and on SPX. So it's still open, making profit for you. So you're 800 pips up on that one. Loss initially on Ethereum, but it's open. You're going to make all that money back and then some. I don't even know if it was much of a loss actually, because you'd have to put your stop loss where the pivot point was on the daily, and that daily pivot point was right where it was at. I don't know how you'd have played that, but you wouldn't have lost much. NAS 2,800 pips, little to no drawdown. GBB JPY 1,500 pips, no drawdown. Google is open. I love Google. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Google. Amazon $12 profit, which is great, fantastic, but not enough. It's still going to keep going. And these are your tier 3 signal results so far. Let's keep on looking. Love it, love it, love it. They get better and better as we go. Matter of fact, they're going to get really good. GBB USD, July 25th. GBB USD. Good morning, Jen Holmes. GBB USD. Nope, wrong one. Nope. Where is it? GBB JPY. I know is it way down here? Hold on. Good morning, Jen. There it is. I know we already looked at it. GBB USD, and that was, we're going over tier 3 results, Jen, just so you know. Amazon, $12 profit, little to no drawdown. Google is open, gonna play any 30-minute buy stop on all three of the, on Amazon, play any 30-minute buy stop on Google, 30-minute buy stop on GBB JPY, NAS, Ethereum, and SPX. 1,500 pips profit on GBB and still running. 2,800 pips profit on NAS, still running. Ethereum, loss initially, but open. That's going to come back. You'll make money. SPX is 800 pips and still open. Oh, speaking of which, let me show you the rules. Oops. Let me show you the rules of how this works, because some of you may be mistaken here. Let me do GBB USD again. It's GBB USD daily, July 25th. GBB USD daily, July 25th. GBB USD daily, July. Whoops, we got to go way back. There you go. Oh, perfect. Oh my God, that's a beautiful call. July, I'm going to mark these because I don't have to go back through them again. Oh, that's June. No, that was right. July, right here. Okay, I'll start marking them. This is our entry. If you'd have took this trade initially, I don't know, you probably would have made a little. Let's see what that would have generated right there. Nothing, 15, 20 pips. I don't consider that worth a shit. Drawdown, if you'd have took the trade immediately, which you're not supposed to do, would have been somewhere in the 180 range. That's unacceptable. If you'd have followed the rules when you waited for it to go over, up and over on the half moon, blah, 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 all that shit, we'd have caught it somewhere around here. And let me see something. Oh, hold on. I think we got a big in here. Yeah. All right, let me grab this then. Hold on. Let me redo that. All right. If you'd have followed the rules for entry, you'd have caught it on this little movement up somewhere around there. And it went to somewhere around there, about over 500. Is that right? 500. Damn. Is that right? Let's try that again. Somewhere, because you wouldn't have caught, you had to wait for that to close. Yeah, nope, that's right. Yeah, well over 500 pips. And what is this one? GBB USD. So how long do you hold this? This was called out a daily. Okay. So the rules state this isn't a loss on a daily or a weekly or anything else until what? Until the let me go back over here. Sorry. Until the weekly, right? Let me go over here to weekly. Until, let's go back here again. See, so matter of factly, when yeah, that's your thing. So this would have been called out on the daily, which it was, right? So this is the call out right here. You can clearly see it formed a daily buy stop. The rules state when it's a daily, and this is what was called a daily, you hold until the pink line goes up on the weekly. Well, the pink line only did a half movement, but it went all the way up to here. So your exit would have been right here at the peak. You see how that works? So I'll show you again on like NAS and SPX to be a little clearer. So you hold the trade, and we'll be giving you exits and everything now. We're going to tell you when to get out of trades until the pink goes to the blue. That's what you do. You hold the trade. Okay. So that's all. So this, so you guys see that. So that I'll show you again in other time periods. But oopsie, shit. There we go. So that's our. Let's put that back up there. This is our GBB USD trade. GBB USD, and it made 500 pips and running and open. Still going. Play any 30-minute buy stop on GBB USD that you can find, and all the other ones you see up here. Actually, that's how good these signals are. They're still paying. Holy crap. It's insane. All right. Next signal we're going to look at is, holy shit, US 30 buy. You want to see pips? You want to see your mind blown? Let's take a look at this and see how it does. US 30, here's your signal. July 25th, 1 o'clock. I wonder why they're different times, 1 and 3s. Anywho, this is an Oanda US 30 buy daily demo buy. Follow the rules. Do not enter this trade when you receive this message. Do not enter the trade when you receive this message. Go to your daily charts and look for the Hydra 2.0 signals. Do not trade if you cannot verify it using the rules. So there you go. This is a US 30 daily buy on July 25th. So we're going to go, this is going to be crazy. We're going to go to US 30. We're going to go to US 30 July. Oh my, you guys are going to see so much fucking money. It's going to be sickening right here. All right, let's take a look. Your initial, this is daily, yeah. Your initial buy would have been right here where it called it if you wanted to, and you would have made 900 pips. Okay. If you'd have followed the rules, oh, fuck me. If you'd have followed the rules and waited for the half moon to form, July 24th, oh my gosh, you would have made 3,000, over 3,500 pips. That is insanity. Good morning, Linda. That is insanity. 3,500 pips. And let's be clear, that would have been your first entrance. You could have entered it again and again. I'm not even going to do that. The call out was here. You'd have waited for your rules. The half moon would have entered 35. And that's the first time. Oh my God, I should add these all up, but I won't. So this is your tier 3 signal, US 30, buy, daily, demo only, right here issued by the tier 3 signal service. That's what we're going over this morning, Linda. Look at this shit. Are you kidding? I'm not even going to count all the other times, but I would like to see the 30 minutes. This is US 30, a buy. It's 3,400, 3,500 pips and open. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. 3,500 pips. So let's say Google's a break even. Let's say your Ethereum lost you $300 a coin, 300 pips. You're up $12 on Amazon, $1,500 on GBB JPY, 1,500 pips on GBB JPY, 2,800 pips on NAS, 800 pips, which is beyond legendary on SPX, 500 pips on GBB USD, 3,500 pips on US 30, and that's being conservative. That is being very, 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 very non-aggressive. If I was being truthful about this trade, you would have entered it again here, and you actually would have made an additional 3,500 plus 2,500. Then you would have entered it again here for an additional 1,000. Oh my God. You had to have, because those are the rules. You'd see it. And you, by the way, this is how long you hold it for. If it's a daily trade, which was called out, you hold it until the weekly pink line goes up until now. So you'd still have been into the trade until today. That's according to the rules. That's when your first take profit would have been called. Your first take profit on this trade would have been 3,500 pips. Wow. Holy crap. Okay. We've already called out 15 symbols. It's 8 o'clock. If there's any news today, someone let me know. We're going over the tier 3 signals so everyone understands what the fuck they have. Absolutely incredible. All right, we have a UTC 3 July 25th buy on gold. This ought to be fucking huge. Let's go over to gold, July 25th. Let's go over to gold, July 25th. Is it all the way back here? Right there. July. Oh my gosh, I caught it right there. Hold on, let me mark that one. July. Where was it? Right there. Initially, you would have made a shit ton. I mean, what more do I have to do here? All right. This is a daily. So we're going to have to follow this line till the pink line goes all the way to the top, which it just hit. This trade, matter of factly, look at this. Watch this. Oh my gosh. So we're calling this trade in. If you did market order, you'd had little to no drawdown, zero drawdown, whatever. 2381 would have been your entry. If you'd have entered according to the rules, it would have been 2394. Let's just say 2400. And 2400, you'd have been up over $360. So $350 an ounce. Insanity. $350 an ounce from this gold. I'm out of room. $350 an ounce on this signal. Jiminy fucking Christmas. Let's move this over. And let's move all of this over. $350 an ounce on gold. I'm beginning to think the signals are just getting better and better, which they are. We keep tweaking them all the time anyways. Tier 3 signal results. The one that looks rough right now is Ethereum, but I'm telling you that one will make profit for you. So now tier 3 signal results. I don't know if I can get all these. Hold on. Tier 3 signal results. And now this one is gold. $350 an ounce. And open. Still running. Good morning, Sally. Thank you, John. No news. Appreciate you, sir. Thank you, John, for the no news. We're reviewing the tier 3 signals results. Sally and everybody listening, just joining us. Amazon, $12 profit and running. That's going to be huge. Google is open. It's already made money, but I don't count $4 a share money. It's going to make a huge amount of money. GBB JPY is 1,500 pips and open and running. NAS, 2,800 pips and open and running. Ethereum is a loss. I'm going to have to count it as a loss. I don't want to bullshit. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $2 up. That doesn't matter to me. It's bullshit. It's a loss now, but it will make you good money, very good money. SPX is 800 pips. GBB US, that's insane, by the way, 800 pips. I say that like it's nothing. GBB USD is 500 pips. US 30 is 3,500 pips, and that is being conservative. The real number is over 5,000 pips, but whatever. Tier 3 signals results, the one we just did was gold, $350 an ounce. It was actually up over $370 an ounce. I'm just saying 350 because it's an even number. Take any 30-minute buy stops you can on all of these symbols you see. This is my free gift to you for going over all these. This is take any 30-minute buy stop you see on any of these ones. Whatever you see on here, take the buy stop. Okay? Wow. Incredible. Doop. All right. Next signal, getting to the very last ones, it looks like. Another buy on Google. This is the weekly one. This will be a really good one. Buy Google August the 5th. Let's see the weekly. So let's switch this over to weekly. Google. Where the fuck did Google go? Where did there it is. Google weekly. Fuck yeah. What day was that? September, August the 5th. August, right there. Gorgeous trade. Much better if you'd follow the rules to entry. You'd be up from 163, $5. I'm going to take that Google $6, $8. It's just going to keep going up. It doesn't matter. So this is Google. You're up like $6 to $8 here. I'll just say 6. So let's put this in there now. Google. Again, this is a weekly. I'll show you how long to hold the trade for. Play any and open. Play any buy stop you can on Google. 30-minute buy stop. Play any buy stop you can on any one of these symbols that you see up here. That's my free gift to you. Is that lighter? Looks like this is brighter white over here. But at any rate, play any 30-minute buy stop you can on any one of these symbols. Those are my free gifts to you guys, showing you the tier 3 signal results. Insanity is how much you're seeing right here. It's crazy. All right, let's keep on rolling. Good morning, Rich OBX. Tier 3 signal result here, August the 9th. USD CAD daily. USD CAD daily. It literally says, do not enter this trade when you receive this message. Go to your daily charts and the Freedom 2.0 signals. It's telling you what to do. So daily, Awanda, USD CAD. So let's go over to Google, go over to TradingView. USD CAD. Was it here or up? I think it was up. Let's see. Ethereum. Maybe I'm wrong. Where the hell is it? Nope, there it is. It was up. USD CAD. And we need to go to weekly. And we need to go to August the 9th. Weekly. Should be somewhere around here. Yeah, right here. So this is it right down here. You would have made money initially. It bounced up, and I'm not going to count that. Where you guys would have made money from would have been right here where it entered the trade. Right there. Okay. 13. What is this? Oh, USD CAD. Hold on. We got to do the actual ruler on this one. Right. But I got to be able to see this shit. How the fuck? Come on. Well, 270, let's just say 250 pips up on USD CAD from this signal, 250 pips, and you hold it. Let me be clear. I didn't say this last time. Watch. You hold this weekly trade, right? It's a weekly trade. Let's go over here. Yeah. Well, technically, you're supposed to hold this weekly trade until this pink line goes up to this orange line, or at minimum, hold this weekly trade until the blue line goes up to the orange line. Minimum, meaning play any 30-minute buy stop you can find while this blue line goes up, just like it did over here. And this is USD CAD. So you've made 250 pips initially. Play any 30-minute buy stop you can find. Good morning, Stacy. Okay. So this is USD CAD up 270 pips. I'm only counting 250. We're going over the tier 3 signals. Every one of them. USD CAD 250 pips plus, and it's still open. Every one of these that I'm calling are still generating money and still generating pips. They're all successful. Play any 30-minute buy stop you can on Amazon, Google, GBB JPY, NAS, Ethereum, SPX, GBB USD, US 30, 35 fucking hundred pips. Gold, Google, USD CAD. Okay? Play any buy stop you can find on any of these 30 minutes. Sevens, if I'm clear on that, I've repeated it a million times. I'll pause for a second. Sevens, if you guys understand, you can still profit from these tier 3 signals. You can still profit from every one of these signals. Take 30-minute buy stops on any one of these symbols. How about that for Free Money Fridays? And it's fucking, what is this, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think. Ryan, thank you. Morning, Annie Apple. We're going over the tier 3 signal results year to date. Well, it's only half a year to date. Morning, Annie. All right, I've got a few sevens. At least some of you aren't sound asleep. Okay. Let's go keep rolling. Discord. Nope, that was USD CAD. USD CAD, same thing. I'm not going to count it again, even though it's more money. Oh, shit. Here's a NAS. NAS symbol, order, buy, weekly. Oh my gosh. A NAS buy weekly is going to be so much money. August the 20th. These are all unedited. They would say edited. You can't fucking touch a post inside of Discord. Anyone that's ever used Discord knows what that means. These are unedited. These are your signals that were generated by the tier 3 signal service, and it's only going to get better. You guys will see so many better entries on this for you. Watch and see. All right. Linda J. Parker, morning out. Annie. Okay. So this is a NAS 100, August the 20th at 1. See, again, they're bouncing around. Well, whatever. 1 o'clock, August the 20th at 1 o'clock, NAS. I could already tell you this is going to be a beast. NAS, August the 20th. Here it is. Well, we're probably going to have to go down. Even though this is a weekly, I'm going to have to go down. Let me go to daily. August, April, May, June, July, August the 20th. Right here. I'd have to go. Fuck, hold on. Let me go inside of it. August the 20th. This one. Nope. Back here. Yep, right there. Let me put it there. August the 20th. All right. It's not really going to help me, though. Let me put that over. You would have made initially on this one, just from that base of that one right there to here, you'd have made 80 pips. I guess 80 pips is good enough, but I'm not taking that. So fuck that. If you'd have followed the rules of entry, which would have meant your half moon, you'd have got in over here. Let me show you what that would have done. 80 pips is good. I'm not, but it's just, it's all right. All right. You would have made over 1,200 pips by just doing the half moon entry with the orange line entry, which actually is untrue. You'd have made more than that. Hold on. You'd have made from here. Yeah, you'd have made over 1,500 pips. Well, I don't want to short myself. 1,500 pips on NAS. You hold the trade that was called out, right? You would hold it until the blue line comes to the top. The blue line came to the top here, right? Your orders are to open up 2, let 1 run, but it doesn't matter. Well, actually, it hit right here. So it hit right there, somewhere in that range. And that's it. You hold the trade the whole time. This isn't considered a loss. Let me be clear on the rules. There's rules are very specific. This isn't considered a loss unless the blue line goes to the top, on this particular case, the daily, weekly, technically, unless it goes to the top and we don't make any money. The movement of price doesn't go up, and it can't. With the sniper, if the blue line goes from the bottom orange to the top orange, you will make money. And of course, you made a shit ton of money, 1,500 pips in this trade. Okay, so now we're on NAS again. Anyone noticing a pattern with certain symbols? You should. NAS, 1,500 pips is insanity. And NAS is a 30-minute buy stop now. 30-minute buy stop, NAS. There you go. Wow. We had one loss with Ethereum, not done with the trade, by the way. You can't count that as a loss, but I am. We had one open trade with Google, which will print shit tons of money, and Google already printed $4. It's going to keep going up. And then everything else has been huge. The smallest number of pips I see is 250 pips on USD CAD. Look at your fucking wins. This is insane. I'm so glad I'm doing this. All right. Let's go over here. Next one. SPX. Weekly. Really? That's going to be another 300, 400, 500 pips. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and do it. So this is SPX, August the 20th, 1 o'clock. Safety Trade Freedom Signal Service, weekly, daily signal, demo trade only. SPX, Oanda, buy, weekly. Do not enter this trade when you receive this message. Follow the rules is what it's telling you to do. All right, so let's go over here. Oanda, SPX 500. Oanda, 500 SPX. So let's see. SPX weekly, August the 20th. Oh, almost my youngest child's birthday. SPX, let's go to SPX. Let's go to August the 20th, September, August the 20th. Right here, let's mark it actually. 22nd, 21st, 20th, somewhere around there. Okay. So you would have made initially, because that was a stop thing right there, you would have made, that's a lot of pips for SPX. It was not a lot for NAS. Well, it is a good amount, but 70, 50, 60, 70 pips on SPX initially, that's really good. I'm not going to count it. Fuck it. It says follow your rules. Basically the half moon, we come over to here. We're just going to do this one entry, even though there's 1, 2 total. Let me see over here. This is your entry point somewhere around there. And it went all the way up to there. I knew it. 349 pips. Jesus. Over 300 pips on a trade is legendary on SPX. I don't care what anyone tells you. 300 pips. Where do you put the buy stop for NAS? It was at the 30-minute line. I don't know. I'd have to go back and look. I'm not looking right now. So this is SPX. Jesus. Signal service tier 3, SPX. We're going to need more room again. Fuck. 300 pips is actually over 350, but whatever. 300 pips. Play any buy stop on SPX 30-minute. period. It's still open, still running. Look at this. So let's be clear on this, shall we? SPX 800 pips, SPX 300 pips, and still going. 1,100 pips from the tier 3 signal service results. Anyone that drops that off is silly. Anyone that quits the tier 3 signals is, I don't know what the fuck. I would only play the tier 3 signals weekly, daily. We're going to make the entrances even better by doing the entrance call for you. You'll get this original signal. You're still going to get the 30-minute buy stop in. That will have little to no drawdown. You'll see. Good morning, Casey McMahon. What's up, Casey? What's up, Annie Apple and Ryan Marcus? We're going over tier 3 signal results. In case you all didn't understand it, for the 50 millionth time, play any 30-minute buy stop you can on Amazon. It already made you $12 a share from the signal. Google is open. Play any 30-minute buy stop on Google. GBB JPY is up 1,500 pips from the signal call, and you can re-enter it again with 30-minute buy stops. NAS is up 2,800 pips. You can enter again, NAS. Look at NAS, 2,800 pips and 1,500 pips. Holy shit. You can enter NAS using the 30-minute buys. Ethereum is a loss still initially now, but play any 30-minute buy. It's going to make you money. SPX, 800 pips. Play any 30-minute buy currently. GBB USD has already made 500 pips. Play any 30-minute buy you can find, buy stop you can find. US 30, 35 fucking hundred pips. And that's even, I'm telling you, it was over $5,000 off that one trade, but whatever. 3,500 pips on US 30 from a tier 3 signal. Take any 30-minute buy you can on that. Gold up $350 an ounce from the first weekly daily signal on tier 3. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can find on gold. Google again, same thing. USD CAD up 200. This is our lowest performing one. USD CAD's up 250 pips, and that's our lowest performing signal. And it's still running, by the way. Take any 30-minute buy stop. NAS 1,500 pips, again off of an additional 2,800 pips. Let me be clear. Is everyone clear? This isn't just one signal on these. It seems to be multiple signals. I know it's hard for you guys to see everything on thing. I'm sorry. And then NAS 1500 SPX, we just did 300 pips and still running on top of the 800 pips the signal service called for you. So tier 3 signal services called out correctly. 1,100 pips for SPX, 3,500 pips for US 30, 4,300 pips for NAS. That is exact. And I've gone over every trade. Your entrances are according to the half moon. We have rules about going on the orange line or whatever, but it is what it is. Just do the half moon. And that's it. I'm not counting re-entrances. If I did re-entrances on US 30 for the 2 times it did additional, it'd be over 5,000 pips on US 30. All right, now we're still rolling. Let's pull that down. Let's go over to our Discord. Oopsie, didn't mean to take that off of there. My bad. I meant to do that. Discord. Signal. Daily, weekly signals is what I would trade from tier 3. Tier 3 is exceptionally good. There's a new signal, tier 3. September the 3rd, the safety trade signal service. This ought to be interesting. Bitcoin weekly buy. September the 3rd. Everybody loves Bitcoin. Here's an automated message from the great Keith Palmer. Do not take this trade when you receive this message. Go to your daily and basically just look for the half moon. I'll show you what it looks like. Bitcoin, September the 3rd. Bitcoin. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Let's go over to September the 3rd. Let's go to daily. It was a weekly buy. I'm going to have to go to the weekly chart. But September, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Will you? Let's take this off of here. Let's go over to here. August, September the 3rd. My orange line is the call out for me. This is your buy. It called Bitcoin buy when it was at 57,000, let's just say for argument's sake. A Bitcoin buy at, we got to move it over one. Oh, shit. Well, close enough. You know, it's the fucking same thing right here. 57,500. It called the buy. You'd have followed the half moon. You would have entered in somewhere around here at 58,000. and it went up from 58,000 until 68. We'll just 69, I know, but we'll just say 68. It went up $10,000 a coin on Bitcoin. 10,000, and you could have re-entered again and should have re-entered here, but I'm not going to count that. Another 7. I'm just going to count the 1. And by the way, let's be clear. Bitcoin, it's a weekly, right? It just touched this pink line, but you actually technically have to use the monthly. So I'm going to use the 3-week. Buy any Bitcoin you can find. Any Bitcoin you can find on anything on Bitcoin, buy. That goes for Ethereum too, until this pink line on the 3-week goes up and touches the orange line. I'm telling you right now, buy Bitcoin, any 30-minute buy stop you can find on Bitcoin. We just made $10,000 a coin. I'm telling you, this is not done. The Signal Service correctly called out Bitcoin to the T. This is a Bitcoin buy. This is perfection personified. This alone is $10,000 a coin on Bitcoin, called out by an automated signal, and it's just going to keep going up. This is still open. This is a huge one for you guys. Listen to what I'm telling you. $10,000 a coin. Is that fucking good enough? Larry said, just insane. I agree. John Parker, here goes some NAS. I'm not even looking, John. Thank you for keeping me informed. I have no idea what that's doing. 10,000. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Tier 3 signal results. Listen to me. Tier 3 signal results. Amazon, up $12 and running. Google, basically break even and made 4 or something, but still running. GBB JPY, 1,500 pips and still running. NAS, 2,800 pips and still running. Ethereum, a loss, kind of, but Larry knows the truth. I've called that correctly all over the place, but we'll take it as a loss. SPX, 800 pips and still running. GBB USD, 500 pips and still running. US 30, 3,500 pips, and fucking that's too low, and still running. Gold, $350 an ounce and still running. Google again, $4 and still running. USD CAD, the lowest one we have, 250 pips and still running. NAS, an additional 1,500 pips on top of the 2,800 pips and still running. These are all signals. All signals. SPX, 300 pips and still running. Bitcoin, $10,000 a coin and still running. It's actually $12,000 a coin I'm giving you guys. All these are underreported, just so we're clear. $10,000 a coin on Bitcoin. The tier 3 signal service called out. All of these are still open and running. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can find on any. That's my free gift to you for we're going over this. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can on any one of these symbols, especially Bitcoin, especially Ethereum. Take any of them. They're all great. Amazon for sure. Google for sure. Do it. This is insane. Yes, Grant, I will look at mobile MBLY if I remember to. Good morning, Don. What's up, Don? We're going over tier 3 signal results. I agree with all those statements. There you go. And they're still in profit and going. Bitcoin has just gotten started. Let me be clear to help you guys out. Hope that helps. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Okay. Now, let's keep going. Let's take a look at the next signal. Look at that Bitcoin one. I got to be careful because we're going to start coming up on some I don't want you all to see. There we go. I think we're there, actually. Hold on. UK. Boy, it likes that UK, doesn't it? Yep, we're done. All right. We have one more symbol to do. And then we have 2 more symbols to do. Yeah, this is Bitcoin. We have a NAS to do and a UK to do, and we'll be done. NAS, the next signal is sent out. September the 6th, NAS 100 buy daily. I guarantee you this is going to be a motherfucking win. All right. XRP. We do XRP all the time. We've called XRP since 31 cents rack. Already done. Do it all the time. It's a buy. Let me tell you that. XRP, any buy stop you can find on XRP. There's your answer on XRP. All right. Now, demo only, weekly, daily buy, NAS 100 Owanda is the actual symbol we use. Do not take this trade when you receive this message. Go to your rules. Basically, look for the half moon. I'll show you what it looks like on NAS. NAS 100, September the 6th. NAS, this is going to be monstrous. NAS 100, daily, September the 6th. Let's go on. August, September 5th. Look at this shit. I'm going to go ahead and say these later signals have gotten better and better and better. Look at this shit. Oh my God. September the 6th. Oh my God. It called the very, very, very bottom. Holy, is that September 6th? It is. Holy fucking shit. This is an automated trading system constantly being tweaked by me and Keith to improve your entries. It called the very fucking bottom of NAS. I'm laughing because when we first started, that Ethereum call was horrific. It completely shouldn't have been called at that time, but I'm counting it against us. We've improved the order of operations, which you guys like to call artificial intelligence. We improved the rules for entry already. We're going to improve them again to the 30-minute. This is NAS, the very, very, very bottom. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Yeah, it's not good enough. If you'd have took the trade, which you should never do, that would be 2,200 pips. What you're supposed to do is take it when it half moons, which is this little thing right here. It can be used for anyone out there that's scamming right here. And you would have made just 1,000. So I'm going to say 1,500. I'll just move it right to there. So let's just say 1,500. You'd have made 1,500 pips, and it's still open. 1,500 pips, and it's still going. And this isn't the first NAS one. Let's take a look. Here's NAS again. Holy fucking shit. NAS, 1,500 more pips. Holy crap. And here's a freebie for anyone out there, scamming or not. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can on NAS. 1,500 pips. 1,500 pips on NAS the second time. The first time was 2,800. We're up 5,800 pips on tier 3 signal results on NAS alone. And it's over that. I'm underreporting all these. You can add in several hundred more, I'm sure. Look at this shit. Holy crap. It doesn't end. It's going to. We only have one more to go. Let's go over to the last one. Next, the last one I can go over with you. Signal is UK 100 buy on September 24th. So let's go over here. We already did this one in the morning, but we're going to do it again right now. UK 100 is down here somewhere. How gorgeous. Gorgeous UK 100, September 24th. I think I'm on daily right here. I am. September. Oh my gosh, I hit it right on the head. How the hell did I do that? Right here. Okay. Nope. Hold on. September 24th. UK 100. I just did it. Where was it? Right here. September 23rd. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Right here. All right. And it was closed as a red candle. So you have to go to the bottom of this red candle, which is right here. So it's pretty much upon entry. So let's go ahead and go over this one specifically so you guys can see something so fucking cool. This is where it was called. So we're going to do the orange line. You could have made 70 pips once, 70 pips twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Then you could have made 128 pips. So you could have made 70 pips every time it went down below the orange line. It's still the buy. It hasn't completed its trade yet. It's still the buy. You stay in this trade. Let me be specific to you. Watch. You stay in this. No. Don't move that. Don't fucking move that. Don't move that. There we go. Wait, let me make sure. Okay. You stay in the trade until this blue line goes up all the way. Let me be clear. Until the blue line touches the orange line. So you could have re-entered this UK 100 trade once every fucking day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 to 8 times. You could have re-entered this trade 8 times, making 50, 60, 70 pips a time. Type out sevens if you understand that. Good morning, D Nice. Do you understand you could have re-entered this last call? Well, second to last call, this UK one, 7 to 8 times, making 50 to 70 pips. I'm only going to count. And by the way, there's another buy stop. Buy stop UK 100. I would put it in down here at 82.82 on the daily. Buy stop 82.82 UK 100 demo only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for educational purposes. So this UK 100, I'm only going to count 100 pips. It's literally 500 pips you could have made off this trade. But I'm only going to count 100 pips. So let's go back to here. And this is our last one. Let's go over to here. This is UK 100. We're going to count 100 pips, which is the understatement of this whole chart. And it's way open. Play the buy right now and play any buy you can that's 30-minute on any of these. So suck your toe to Mexico. Let's see. Let's go ahead and add up a few things here, shall we? They're not all equal. The $12 profit on Amazon is huge. It's not just $12. I don't know how to equate that over to pips, but I'm going to go ahead and take a little lumbering guess. These are tier 3 signal results from the inception of tier 3 signals. All these have been sent out to everyone in tier 3, plus you have them on your own charts. Plus we've already improved entry once, plus we're improving the entry to 30 minutes. Your tier 3 signals have generated just 12 pips on Amazon, none on Google. Hold on, let me add this all up. Let's do it the right way so I don't just guesstimate. So my math is very fast. I do math like things. So we're going to do 12 plus 1,500. How much of a loss do you want me to count on Ethereum? $300, $500, $200? Larry, how much of a loss do you want me to count with Ethereum? I'll take Larry's opinion. How much loss on that first trade? Technically, it's not done. Technically, we made money on it, but I'm going to include it as a loss. So whatever Larry says, if he says it's $500, I'll say 500. If it's 300, I'll say 300. If it's 200, I'll say 200. If it's 100, I'll say 100. But it was technically a loss. I think we made like $4 or something, but I ain't counting that shit. I'm not peeing that thing. None but do 100. Okay, we're going to take away minus 100. So this should be minus 100, 1412 plus 800 plus 500 plus 3,500, which is bullshit. That was 5,000 alone, but I'm not counting it. Plus $350 an ounce on gold should be 3,500 pips. $4 plus 250. And these not even re-entries, plus 1,500 plus 300 plus 10,000 plus 1,500 plus 100 equals 20,216 pips. The equivalent thereof, I have no fucking idea. Over 20,000 pips have been generated. 20,000 percentages. Yeah, fuck. I don't even know what you want to call it. It's a lot of fucking money. 20,000 pips have been generated from tier 3, including a loss on Ethereum, which will not count. It will make money. I guarantee you it will. We'll take away the other 200. We'll give it a $300 loss on Ethereum. Still 20,000 pips. God bless system. 20,000 pips. So everyone, type out the word yes. If you understand the Discord system, signal service system, has called out over 20,000 pips, has gone over every trade. You can't give me shit if you followed even just nothing but the basic half moon entry. If you never re-entered the trade alone on US 30, that have been over 5,000, 6,000 pips alone. But I only did one entry. The signal service, every signal, not the two current ones that are running. We can't do those. Those are current. I'm not going to give away something for free that you guys are paying for. Yes, on and in the money. Correct. Joe Bigger. So that's it. So there's 43 people here, and there's only 2 yeses on YouTube. Oh boy. YouTube skating on thin ice this morning. 20,000. I'm renaming my thing. Hold on. 20,000 fucking pips. Wow. Oh, I don't believe it. I don't care what you believe. That is what I just went over. That is a fact. Here we go. Let's write it out. Over 20,000. And it's pips used loosely. It's profit. I don't know how to word it. Profit. Well, I don't want to say 20,000 because that's bullshit. Whatever. Just so that someone comes back technically and says something. Over 20,000 pips from tier 3 signals since July 2024. Incredible. It's over 20,000. And they're documented, by the way. Every one of those trades, I just went over that. Hold on one second, guys. All right. Save. Wow. Tier 3 signals, insanely accurate, insanely good. Wow. Morning, Harris. Okay, there's a few more of you said yes when I wasn't looking. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, D-Man. All right. Now, if anyone would like me to go over any of these signals again to show you why or how they came about, let me know. I'll sit right here and wait. Anyone wants me to go over any one of these signals, I will. I'll just speak up. Tradinator with 20,000 pips, just getting started. It is correct. This isn't even the Tradinator. This isn't. We'll have better results with the actual robot. We'll have way better results with the actual robot. Morning, Tanny. Good morning, Tanny B. We just got done reviewing the signal service. Over 20,000 pips were documented. I went over every one of these trades since July when it first went live, when Skynet went active, July 2024. And this isn't even the robot. What Larry's talking about is the Tradinator. We have a robot within the next year coming. This is only the basic. This is the fundamental. The entries and the take profits will all improve. The stop losses we built in, 20,000 pips, and this isn't even anything. This isn't including your daily hourlies. This isn't including your hourly 3 minutes. This isn't including any re-entries at all. This is just initial call, follow the half moon, and go in the trade. We do have a loss currently at Ethereum, but I'm telling you, by the time that trade is done with the weekly going up to its blue line, this will be a win. It cannot lose, so it'll be a win. We counted it as a $100 loss, 100 pip loss. Technically, I took off 200 more. We counted it as a 300 pip loss. And that UK 100 I just showed everybody reprinted money like an ATM 7 times, 8 times over and over and over again. Can you show me how GJ? Show me, I mean. Can you? Yes, Sally. GJ. So she's on GBB JPY. So excited for all these upcoming things. God bless. I know, right? So the GBB JPY right here. Let's take a look at GBB JPY. Oh, I don't remember that entry. Did I mark it? Hold on. Let's go back to GBB JPY and see if we marked it. I was marking a lot of them after we got going here. It's up here. There it is. Okay. Look at it. And going. I keep telling y'all, take that fucking trade. All right. Where was it? GBB JPY. Oh, shit. We have to go all the way back up here somewhere. It's one of the first ones. SPX, Ethereum, NAS, GBB JPY. GBB JPY, July 17th. Let's go to July 17th. It was a daily buy. July 7th. By the way, you notice there wasn't one sell signal in there. There wasn't an incorrect buy or sell. It called out correctly whether or not it was how many ever pips or whatever. It was correctly calling every trade a buy or sell. In other words, every one of us would have been calling out a sell somewhere in there. The system, the signal service through the great Keith Palmer, coded it to my order of operations 100% accurately. So there was no completely, in other words, we could add a complete misfire when it should have called a sell and it called a buy, or should have called a buy and it called a sell. It never did that once. I think some of you are overlooking that huge fact that tier 3 signals did not have one misfire, not the wrong way. GBB JPY, what the fuck day was it? July 17th. Let's take a look. Let's take a look in a book. July 17th. June and July. It's in a book. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. Okay, let's go back. Let's mark it July. Oh, we have it. Hold on. July 17th. All right. Here's your entry on July 17th called out. The rules, the trade itself states don't take the trade. You could have taken the trade and you could have made a little money right here on that pull up because it is daily, even though that doesn't look like a lot. That is a good movement. I don't count any of that shit. Okay. So what happened was, and it was, let me make sure we're clear on this. July 17th, GBB JPY buy. Yep, daily. So we're on the daily, aren't we? Yep, daily. Okay. So right here, when the trade came down, right? So it came down. You were to take it at a half moon entry. So your first entry should have, as soon as it goes over the orange line, let me be clear. So let me draw this out to you. The rules state that this is your orange line right here, right? Like this, like this, like this. That's your orange line. Okay. Your rules state you take the, our price action comes down, whoop, and then it half moons over, came over here. So you could have entered here on this trade right there. If you didn't, and you would have made money, blah, 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 whatever. Then you could have came back down over here, half mooned it right here, and entered somewhere around here. Either one, you could have entered it on. So my entry I used was on, because let me shrink this down a little. Right, was this one right here. Now you could have technically, when I called it out on 624 was the buy stop when it was down here. You could have listened to me when I told you to do the buy stop too. But if you didn't, you would have entered, where did it go? Here on this one, somewhere around there. Yeah. So, we did 748. So I did do the first entry too. I'm sorry, I did double dip. That was a lie. I'm sorry about that. I should never. But your first entry would have been here to here. Yeah. So that one, we can lower that by a few hundred pips. I'm still taking 20,000. There's no way. Because what I'm doing is underreporting everything by hundreds and hundreds. In US 30's case, I underreported it by almost 2,000 pips. But yeah, that's how it was. So this one right here, You do not take, it says right here, do not enter the trade when you receive this message or to go to your daily charts in the Freedoms 2.0 signals. And that's why you have the double signal thing. So, but all I'm teaching you is just look for your, hold on. There we go. Just look for your half moons. There's a lot of rules to entry. You do this, you do that, whatever. Just all you do is let price go underneath. It comes back up. Now there is another name for this that I refuse to use, but it does look like something. One of our other members used to say it all the time. But this right here, when the half moon occurs, this is what it looks like. Let me show you. Watch. The half moon comes down and comes up, right? And this is the half moon that comes down and comes up, where there's usually always this little piece that comes off. And there is some right here actually too. Now, I'm not going to say what that looks like. NSFW, not safe for work. But I am going to tell you with one of our members, thank God he doesn't say that anymore, but he used to call this something. So I call it a half moon. But if your mind is in the gutter, you can probably call that something else. So excited for all these upcoming things. Yes. NAS is a 10-minute blue line is happening now. Oh, nice. Harjeet said. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Jesus. And I'm not here to cause any problems or anything, but if anybody can see what this picture looks like, feel free. But that's kind of what it looks like. And technically, I guess I should say that in other terms, but the reality is when you see these half moons, when they go back up and over, or does anybody want to laugh or say anything? I don't want to say it, but some of you can say it. Yes, Kim, a W. A W with yes. I'm not going to say anything else. Good morning, Kim. All right, let's see. We have a whole bunch of shit going on. I'm supposed to look at some other symbols. Let's take a look. But I'm going to finish up by saying tier 3 signals kicked fucking ass year to date. Actually, it's only July what is year to date? July when they started. 20,000, 19,000, 22,000 pips, whatever you want to call it. Every one of these things outstandingly good. The Ethereum is our only loss, but that'll make money. Let me be saying it one last time. Probably say it again, but one last time for now. Play any 30-minute buy stop you can find on any one of these symbols that I called out. Play any, they're not done. They're still running. Play any 30-minute buy stop you can on any of these. Sally said it. I'm just saying, if we're all adults, I know children listen to this, so, but it is what it is. This is actually more accurate than a half moon. This is literally what it looks like. 90%, it comes down, right? And it does this. It's what it does. That's your little, and that's what it is. I'm sorry. I'm not here to judge. I'm just telling you what it does. And that is it. All right. We're done with tier 3. Someone asked something about some different things. I'm only going to do Harjeet because it is NAS. NAS 100. He's saying something about a 10-minute. Let's see what that looks like. And let's see. NAS 100, 10-minute. There is no 10-minute. NAS to the 10-minute blue line is happening now. Am I confused? Hold on. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot. Hold on. Let me go. This is all the way up. NAS 10-minute. NAS 10-minute going to the blue line. I'm confused on that one, Harjeet. I don't know what you mean. Can you show me GJ? Yeah. And it's still, GBB JPY is still a fantastic buy, Sally. Look for any 30-minute buy on that. Tradeinator. Some of you called out some symbols. There it is. Can you look at MBLY? Sure. Let me look at MBLY. Maybe I wasn't on thing. I don't know what that is. MBLY. Mobile Eye Global. All right, let's see what Mobile Eye Global is doing. It's a really funny sounding name. Let's do weekly over here. Let's do daily over here. Let's see if we see anything. MBLY, believe that's a sell. That's bad. Weekly sell, 3 week. Nope, let's go back over to here. Let's go 3 week. Oh, it's way, I wouldn't touch this thing. I don't care what it's going to do. I wouldn't touch this thing with a 10-foot pole. It's dropped too far. You're too late to get in on a sell. I'm not calling anything out for this. You're just too late. I don't like this one at all. The reason I'm saying that is because look at your 3 week. It's already pulled too far. If anything, I'd look for a buy on this, but I'm not calling anything. I think it's shitty. It's too late. Whatever this is shit. MBLY is shit. All right. Good morning. Where do you put your buy stop for NAS? I don't know what he's talking about. Let's take a look. 30-minute buy stop, I'm assuming he means. Let's go over to here. Yeah, technically you should have put it right on the yellow or orange or red line. 30-minute buy stop. This is gorgeous. Is this current? Is that current? Yeah, that's beautiful. You're already in the money on that buy, by the way. Already in the money on the buy. 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 Now, no, we're not in the money on the buy. Oh, fuck. Buy. Oh, you have time. Beautiful. 30-minute buy, and it's going to get even more for you. Hold on. Maybe that's why it didn't switch. Oh, that's why it didn't switch. That's why, shoot fire. Sorry, the symbols didn't switch. We hit the 5-minute blue line, which I don't know why Harish always tries to skip that. Ricochet to the 5-minute blue line is complete. Sell stop to the blue line is complete. Hey, let's see if we got that called by the sniper rifle. Let me see. Where's the sniper rifle? Hold on. Let's go back here. Let's turn this one off. Why is this? What? Hold on. Why does fucking TradingView make you reset all your fucking indicators? They're so stupid. Let me put this one on there and the sniper rifle. Cells. Yeah, there you go. Which one's firing? So it's a sniper rifle. Oh, he doesn't have the blue line set yet, but still correct. Okay. This is a sniper rifle calling for a 5-minute sell stop to the blue line. It did it perfectly. There it is. There's your call out. There it is going down to the blue line. And here's what it looks like on, there's a 3-minute, by the way, 3-minute and so on. And this is your sniper rifle. This is upcoming to you guys by, it'll be January, the first week of January. We'll go live with this. Look at the sniper rifle call this. You think maybe it was calling for it to go down? These are all individual signals. Look at them. Do you think the sniper rifle might have got NAS sell correct? Look at that shit. It's not a sniper rifle. It's a sniper fucking automatic machine gun, M16. Holy shit. Okay, I think that's, did anyone else ask anything? That's funny. You're on GBB, not NAS. Sadly engaged the 30-minute buy stop, says Jan. You were looking at GW. Oh, everyone's saying that's funny. Igor. 5-minute sell them engaged, not following the rules. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Neville. 5-minute sell them engaged, not following rules. Okay. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Kim, the candle envy lady. Good morning, Kim. Okay. So this is your sniper rifle calling out these cells, by the way, just so we're all clear. This was called out by the sniper rifle, telling you that there was a cell, probably all kinds of fucking shitting cells going down to the, yeah, see them all. Going all the way down to the 5 minute. And there it is. It doesn't negate the fact that there's still a buy. I would play any buy stop you can find. Again, this is a tale as old as time. This is a tale as old as time right here. See this right here? Let me shrink this down for us so we can see it, because you know what? On this, I don't know why these can be shrunk, but my ones that are on TradingView can't. Keith explained it to me. Keith's too smart. I don't understand. Look, here it is. This is calling for a 15-minute buy, a 1-hour buy, but we're also doing the sells. So until these sell stops are finished to the 15-minute SPX, let's take a look. Let's see what it looks like. I wonder if I can leave this here and just pull it up later. All right, let's take a look. Let's go to the 15-minute chart of NAS and see what we shall see. Nope, it's a 15-minute buy. Correct. Let's go to the 30-minute. Yep, correct. 1 hour. Still not even a 1-hour buy yet. Hold on. Let me see what US 30 is doing to get us. Yeah, US 30 is going to hit it. So play any sell stop you can until US 30 hits its 30-minute blue line. Play any sell stop you can. Well, we only have a half hour to open. We'll see. Sell stop US 30. Play any. I'd play any of them. 5-second through 30-minute sell stop towards the 30-minute blue line. It's already maxed there. Let me see the hourly. Not quite finished going down. Nope. Definitely play that 3-minute. Now, if you don't like playing those time periods, play US 30, and I love this trade. Yep, 12 hours. 7-hour buy, US 30 buy, 42,802. 42,802 buy, US 30. I love the buy on this one. I don't know if there's news in the next day or two, but I just love it. I'm glad it's resetting itself. This is perfect. See, it's just starting now to come down. This is perfection. Beautiful. Let me see. Is NAS doing it too? Yes. Beautiful. And this is inside. SPX. SPX isn't as much. NAS is much better. Much, much better. Love it. Love it. Love it. Look at US 30 is even better. Yeah, so NAS and US 30 are better on the pull down. SPX isn't as pulled back as much yet. Let's see, it's below it here. I would say, let me see how many days this is going to take us to get possibly without news. It's going to take us from where we're currently at 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 5 days. I would say somewhere between 3 days and 7 days, you're going to see US 30. Oh, let me turn off this sniper rifle. You're going to see US 30 do this over the next several days. I hope, like if there's news tomorrow or something, it might pop up tomorrow, but you're going to see it come down just a little bit further. You're going to see this come back down to here. Perfect. I cannot wait. And then you're going to see this right here. And then you're going to see this pull down right here like this. And then you're going to see your signal bar right here like this. And that's what that's going to do. Now, you can put in your buy stop for US 30 right now, or you can trail it down as it goes. I don't know, my little things move. Buy stop US 30, just don't get caught in it. 42,898 daily. Love it. Let this finish its downward movement. Sometimes it doesn't go all the way down. Sometimes it doesn't pull. Sometimes it does. I'm counting on this pink to come all the way down. Once it touches, that's going to be our indication for a buy, unless we can get the purple to come down with it and we can see a cross, but whatever on that. And our 4-hour will show a buy stop right here. Hell, the 4-hour probably already shows a buy stop. But that's US 30. Let me go back over here again. Let me go to the 4-hour real quick and see if we're in a buy. Yes, we're in a 4-hour buy. We're in a 7-hour buy. That's why you can enter off the 7-hour buy too. Put it right here as it comes down. Follow it down. I would put it right here. 42,875. What was my daily now that I can zoom in? 42,805, 800, 808, whatever. Buy. Just follow it down as it goes down. Oh, I think we're going to get a little below here. Let this go below the yellow 12-hour line. Yeah, and you can be careful with US 30, but that's US 30 in depth. Let me see short term what it's doing for us. See if we can snag any more money. Sell stop. 5 seconds. 1 second buy, but we're not going to count that right now. 5 second, 10 second sell, 15 second sell, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 15, 15. Let me see. Nope, 30, 30. Yeah, play any 5 second, 10 second, play any buy stop you can find until towards the 30-minute blue line on US 30. And if you don't want to do that, then put your buy stop in and follow it down. Buy stop, 7 hours, somewhere around 42,752, 42,742. And that's US 30. Pulled out a Gatling gun. That's what it looked like, didn't it? Good morning, Azar. What's up, Azar? All right, let's do a deep dive on NAS. Let's see what NAS is looking like. It's going to be the same, by the way. All right, let's see the 10 minute. Yeah. 5 minute. Yeah, we just hit the 5 minute. Look for a little pullback up. You can play any sell stop you want towards the 10-minute blue line of NAS. Let's go ahead and see what we look like down here in little space. 1 second sell, 5 second sell, 10 second sell, 15 second, 30 second. What you're seeing, you're going to see it go down a little bit further right now. Yep. It's going to fill in the gap on the 1 minute. You'll see everything come down right here where this red histogram bar will hit this yellow thing. Watch. And price will come down with it as it does that. I don't know how much time is left on any of these things. I don't know if we'll see it on this candle, though. Yeah, see, we might not. Let's see. No, definitely not. It's pulling up too much. All right. This is NAS, though. These are short-term sells again. Feel free to take them if you want. Feel free. You're just so late. It already moved to the 5 minute blue line. It did its ricochet. There's nothing more you could do on that. You just missed it. Yeah, so play any. It's going to arch up and then play any buy stop you want on NAS. Love the 1 hour. The 30 minutes fine, but you can also bring that down a little bit more. I don't know if somebody said they got sucked into it or not. I don't remember the comment, but yeah. NAS buy. Well, it is technically a 1 hour. It's technically a 1 hour. Nope. 1 hour, 7 hour. So what's the 7 hour look like for NAS? 7 hour. 7 hour. See how it hooked you right there? Just go right back to that spot. 20,330.6 demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. That's a nice entry. Let me see if we can get you a better one on that 1 hour. 20,356. I don't know if that's what I said or not. You want to be above this yellow right here. 20,360. That's a little high. 20,300. Just somewhere around there. You get the idea. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Somewhere around there, right here. 20,348. Just pick a number around there. Or follow it down and let it do its thing as it goes down. That's fine. Look how low it went last time on our 2 hours before it shot up. But yeah, I can see that 3 hour. What the fuck is this down here? It's like a fun wave at an ocean park. What the hell is this shit? Look at this. You can't trade on that. You have to go to like to the 4 hour or the 7 hour or something that's flatter. There's your daily. See now this daily right here? I don't know if we're going to get a full-on hook down on this. I hope we do. This is what I want it to happen. I'll use yellow. I want this to come all the way down to here, right? And then I want the blue line to come all the way across. We're going to see this hook down a little bit. So this might take 3 to 7 days, somewhere in there. You're going to see the yellow line do that. You're going to see price action probably, I don't know. This might be a half hook where it does this right here and come up. I always prefer and love these full on bottom downs, but it might hook and come up, but I don't think so. I think we're going to see it come down a little bit, maybe come down a little bit, and then it's going to do its up like that. And that's NAS. I would play any 30-minute sell stop you can find. Matter of fact, let's go over to NAS and see if it's still a 30-minute. It is. Yep, it is. And it just crossed, pink crossed the blue. This is going to be interesting to see how this one plays out because of the open here in a few minutes. But that's NAS deep dive. Still love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, and love it some more. Almost pink line to the blue, though. Yeah, I was going to sell that one, actually. Oh my goodness. I was able to join a Funwave at an ocean park. That's funny. I don't know. That 2 hour looks a little challenging to me. I just love it here. Thank you, God. Thank you, Kevin. Bree. Blessed day to all. Nice, Susie. So glad to have you here. All right. What is this? Main squeeze. Well, if you delivered main squeeze, I'd use you. Credit Karma. Sign request. All right. I think we're good on all that. Let me turn on my phone. We have about 25 minutes to market open. The same analysis I just did on NAS is the same thing for SPX. Did I miss anybody else's symbol, though? I went back to that MDK thing, whatever that was. But did I miss someone's symbol? Does somebody want me to call it another symbol? I went back to the thing. If I missed the call out, you guys want me to do a symbol that I didn't do. Let me look at gold again. But in the meantime, I'll look at gold. But yeah, just if I missed somebody, because someone asked one symbol was really early. I don't remember. No symbols? All right, let me look at gold. Hold on. Gold, we've been just fucking kicking ass. What's gold at right now? 24,000. I'm going to close my one gold. I'm done. It went up and hit what it needed to hit. All right. Let's take a little deep dive into gold, shall we? Deep dive into gold. It went up, did its exact. This is just taking candy from a baby. This shit is so easy. Let's take a look over here. This is the signal service, tier 3 signal service calling out these trades. This is my entry that I called out and entered in at. You can clearly see the weekly daily buy stop from here was $1,800. It was called live, called again here, called again here, called again here. You can see every one of these signals on the weekly, daily, and they're only going to get better, by the way, made a shit ton of money. Period. Made a shit ton of money. It's amazing what gold has done. Absolutely amazing. Okay. So the daily gold has come back down and now it's up again. I'm going to wait for gold. It can still go up. By the way, look what it did right here. This flat line. It's called flatlining. See how it still kept going up? That's why I have my big one open. But this is close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades for me. I'm not being greedy. It's called the safety trade system for a reason. But what I want to see is this pink come down like this. Hook, and we're going to do it all again. Then we're going to see this blue line come over like this. Then we're going to see this stuff come down like this, like it did before. And then you're going to see this yellow line like this. Then you're going to see price come down just a little bit, probably to somewhere around there. And then you're going to see price go up again. And that's gold. And we'll keep playing gold until eternity freezes over, because it is so easy. Gold and Dumdar Hills. Damn, I draw a lot, don't I? Look at all this shit I draw. Oopsie. Yeah, there we go. Boop. Okay, so let's go down to gold 5 second and see what we got. Oh, wait, we have this on here. Sorry, hold on 1 second. Let me pull this over here. We'll go to the daily. Let me go back over to here. And now let's see what we got on gold. 5 second. Let's go over here. Let's see this. Nothing. 10 seconds. Too late. Sell. 30 second. Sell. 1 minute. Where's it going to? 3 minute. Plenty sell stop you can find from 1 second to 3 minute till the 3 minute blue line on gold is hit. And then look for gold. Love this trade. It's 30 minute? Not yet. 30 minute buy stop on gold is forming. They're handing you free money. Be prepared. Buy on gold at 27.43. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. Love the trade. Let me see my 4 hour. Still, and this is perfect. Absolutely love this trade. Let me go to the daily. And that's why, see, we're just too fucking far away on the daily. Yeah, I sold my one gold, the small gold, because this is just close enough. I don't need every penny. This came up. We're up here. The pink line's up high. We're near it. It can still keep going up, but this is too far away from the orange line for my liking. I'm going to wait until this resets. Until it resets by doing what? It resets by coming back down towards the orange line on the daily. I don't know. If you want to do the short-term sells, you can. If you want to do the medium-term buys, you can. If you're going to do a buy, I love this one. Let me see the 30. I love that. That looks a little better. Either or. Somewhere around 27.46. Somewhere around 27.44. I think it's going to go just a little bit further, 27.44. 27.47, you can do the buys. So sells, I think we're going to hit that 3 minute blue line, by the way. Do any sell stops to the 3 minute blue line on the quantum level. If you want to look for some buys, you can enter it off basically the 30 minute or 1 hours, or the 2 hours, or the 4 hours. I kind of like this 4 hour bounce right here. I really do. Buy stop, gold 27.39. Buy stop, gold 27.39. Time to milk it for what it's got, says Tom B. I think Tom's playing off of our earlier words. All right, so that's gold. Let me see if we can snag some money here on SPX or NAS or somebody. Let's see. Let's go down to the quantum level and see what we shall see down here. Nope, just a sell. Let's go down to NAS's. It's funky looking, but it's a 1 second sell. You can see it. It's a 1 second sell. It's ugly as fuck. Let's go to the 5 seconds, see what we can see. There you go. Well, then the 1 second. Oh, the 1 second sell just plummeted. Oh my gosh. That was too funny to see. I was like, what the fuck? But it happened in a second. Let me see that 3 minute. Yeah, let me go over here. Yo, wait, what? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, told you. Yeah. 10-minute hit. Okay, let me see if the 15 minutes coming up. Yeah, it is. Let me see the 10-minute again. Yeah, keep playing any sell stop on those until then. Love the trade. Yep. Oh, sorry. I got digressed into that mess. NAS. Keep playing the sells. Those are the short term, moderate term little sells. And then NAS buy. Love it. Where do you want to enter this in at? Nope. Still got to come down. Still got to come down. Let me see. Daily. Not down enough. See, this is what you're waiting for, just so we're clear. It's preferable and almost necessary. It can do this middle of the line thing. Oopsie, where it hooks like this and then comes right back up again. That's fine. I always prefer the all the way down movement, whether it's going to be SPX or NAS on the daily. Yeah, see, I don't like this. This needs to come down more on SPX. That's why I said NAS is better and US 30 is better, but they still haven't come down to where I want them to be. It can still hook up right now, but I think 3 to 5 days from now, unless there's news before then, a news can jolt this up too, but that's what I'm looking at. All right. Oh, where are we at? Time to milk it. AUDUSD daily buy. Oh yeah, the AUDUSD I've been chomping at the bit for. Let's take a look. AUDUSD. We correctly called out the first time to the where this purple thing crossed. Where we called it out. Man, this is deja vu all over the fucking place. Wow. Must be on the right timeline. Deja vu is out the yin yang right here. Deja vu. What the fuck was that about? 9:15, 9:17. Yes. To answer your question, look, the first time was called out was here, and then I called it out here, and then 10-8 ricochet daily to the blue line there. So yes, this is a daily, weekly buy. It's also a weekly, monthly sell. So whether it goes up and touches it again is irrelevant. We've already ridden that the first time. If you remember, I bought in right there. It was 171 pips, 71 pips, whatever it was. It was a good amount. I sold before it hit the blue line though. So this is the second time. Buy, stop, ricochet to the blue line, AUDUSD. I'd put your buy stop. You can't see anything. I'd put your buy stop. Let me go to the weekly. Put it off this weekly red line right here. See, I don't like that the weekly has to come back down. I don't like that at all. I don't like this. But if I was going to put it, I'd put it right here. Buy stop 0.666. Oh, no. Yeah, well, it is. I'm going to go down a little bit. 0.66589 buy stop AUDUSD. It's a daily, weekly buy. We're going to enter it off of the weekly red line is where you're aiming for. Buy stop daily. Ricochet to the blue line was up here. See, yeah, so I'm down $15 in that trade, and I don't give two fucks. We're fine. But see how, watch, let me show you something right here, guys. Look at this shit and look at it closely. Look at this. This is a big difference right here. I'm going to teach you guys something. When you see your pullback and it's our logo, right? And you see that orange line stay above on the daily now, specifically, it doesn't matter on smaller. But you see how the orange line's above? Sevens for yeses. Grant, 30 minutes. Okay, I'll answer your question 1 second, Grant. As opposed to this time where it came down, the orange line crossed it on the daily. That's hard to do, by the way. This is really, so this now has turned into a weekly buy. This is very steep. This is different. This may look the same, but it is not. See, let me go back a little bit to show you what it looks like over here. See right here. It's just different. Watch. This is a fill in the gap one. Let me clear this. Okay, this is why I took this last trade to the blue line, because it's our logo. It went doop, doop, right? Doop, doop. But when it did that, price action went below, but the orange line stayed on top. It's different than what you're seeing. This is the past one you saw, then it came over hooked, came up. This is this. This one and this one are virtually identical, not the center one. The safety trade, let me be clear on what I'm saying. The safety trade is right here to the blue line. This is a buy stop to the blue line. Am I saying this clearly? Maybe I'm not saying it clearly. This is a buy stop to the blue line. The safety trade to the blue line is this little hook, the upward sloping W right there to the blue line. This fill in the gap. So this trade right here will be a 4 hour. If I went over to the 4 hour, this would be a 4 hour buy stop. I hope you catch what I'm saying. An upward sloping W is nothing more than our logo. See, then it happens to be go. That's why I took this trade back then. I don't know if how many of you remember it. It forms this right here. This is golden. What I'm teaching you right now. When this came up, when this initial buy stop came up, it hooked back down, forming a daily 4 hour. I guarantee this is a 4 hour buy stop right here. I have to look at it. Forming our logo to the buy stop to the blue line. This is the trade that you guys all want to make in your lives. Is this trade? Let me be as clear as I can. Take this fucking trade. Take this fucking trade on demo every fucking time you see it. Take this trade. We're looking at AUDUSD daily. It had gone up, and poor Keith's gonna wake up to this. Go, what the fuck is he talking about? It had gone, did the buy stop, then it did a fill in the gap buy stop to the blue line. This is what needs to be coded in. This is a very fantastic trade. Poor Keith, can never get everything done. Good morning, Keith. Any rate, I'm sending him a message. But that's what needs to be coded. That's what needs to be traded. When you see this on any level, 5 minute, 1 hour, daily, 15-minute, let me be clear as I can. When you see your buy stop go up, come back down to the fill in the gap buy stop. This is to the blue line. This is the trade to take. This is your logo. This is your safety trade. Price started below, price came above, price came hooked under. You can clearly see the orange line was above. Price action went below. That is your bow and arrow, the hook back. And then there's your fill in the gap right here. This is a 4 hour buy stop to the daily blue line. This is too important. All right, let me go over this again. Let me make sure. When doing a 15-minute daily buy, how do you know that the 30-minute one will flip into a buy? The 30-minute, 1 minute, 3 minute. You don't. You let the smaller ones trade out. Once they hit the blue line twice, for instance, on a sell, 3 times, then it's getting played out. Then it's going to flip and come back up again. You just have to be patient on that, Tank Dog. But does this make sense? I really, really, really want to drive this point home. Take a picture of this. Let me draw it again. I'm going to go over this again for you. Listen to what I'm telling you. This right here, this is the first time. How do I word this to you? How do I word this? We're looking at AUDUSD daily. This can go with EURUSD daily. This can go with gold weekly. This can go with NAS 30-minute. When you see this exact trade, listen to me and write this out. Price starts under, price comes up, hooks, and it's going to the blue line. Okay. This is your first buy stop right here. This is your fill in the gap buy stop, which is a 4 hour buy. This is to the blue line. When you see, so for instance, this is now repeating it. It's going to go back up to the blue line. But the very first time this happens is extremely, extremely important. Hello? Anyone at all? Am I getting anyone to follow me? Anyone making sense? Is anyone listening? Anyone out there? Anyone? I have to go back to this right here. Sorry, I got to take a picture of this. Do 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 do. Yankee Doodle went to town. Anyone following me on this? Yankee Doodle dandy. How do I word this to you all? This is the middle. Watch this one. I want to blow your minds further. You guys are really going to hate me on this. This is your middle of your M of your W. This will be your other W. This is what that's going to do. This is your M inside of it. I taught you that a long time ago. But when the M inside of it is this fill in the gap buy stop to the blue line, you have to take a look at all those lines. Is that insanity? But yeah, that's what that is. I can't stress this trade enough. Some of you are having trouble with entries. Some of you are asking about this and that. If you look at the daily, I wish someone would go back and do this. Go back and show me this exact pattern right here. We'll do it on any, I guess we can go down to the 15 seconds and start looking. But show me this exact pattern and show me one time that this trade right here doesn't go up to the blue line. This is your upward sloping W. This is your fill in the gap. That's how you know it's an upward sloping W. This is a 4-hour buy stop right here. This is to the blue line on the daily in this case. But you find this on any one of these and let me know. Matter of fact, give me just a second. I'll be right back. Be right back in just a minute. Okay, guys, all back. All right. That guy's amazing. There's like two guys, Benny Blanco and some other guys, written like every song we've ever liked in our lives. There's two of them on TikTok. They keep showing them. All right. Where were we? Don't forget to show somebody hitting the thumbs up. Thank you, Susie. Say it one more time. Absolutely, I will. This is too important not to show you. All right. What's up, Solace? Good morning, Solace. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Twitter. This is extremely important, so I will hit this up again for you guys. Watch. Take a picture of this. This is nothing more than a W, a double bottom, whatever you want to call it. And the way this works, green line comes up, then the red tells us to come down, green line comes up, the fill in the gap happens right here, and then it goes to the blue line. So what you're seeing is this is your initial buy stop right in here. You guys, the blue, the pink, the cross, sure. But when you see this pullback here, right here, you see how the blue stayed high. This is your fill in the gap. This would be a 4-hour buy. Boom. This is the upward, see your upward sloping W right here, doop, 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 right there. You can see how it's caught. But the most important thing is it's going to the blue line. So it's our logo, right? It's the logo. Doop, price starts underneath, comes up, comes over to the thing. This is what it looks like. Our logo looks like this right there. And then it looks like this right there. That's your logo. So you can logo the fuck out of this thing. Now look what it looks like right here. We're going to open it up a little bit more so you can see this. Let's go over. I hate when they put this shit on here. I wish there was some way to get this off of there. Let's go to the weekly. Let's go over to here. Nope. Let's go down to the 4 hour and let's go over to here. Ready or not. Here we go. Let's go over here. Let me see this again. I'm trying to gather, is it a daily 4 hour? Is it a daily 7 hour? I'm going to have to get that. But the principle of this is, hold on, what is this? No, it's still 4. Oh, shit. Don't move that. Hold on 1 second. I hate when I'm on these charts where I have to move. Let me go over here. Yeah, there. Okay. Well, anywho, I'd have to shrink this in too then. But that is the trade. See, here's our logo. Can you guys see that on TikTok? Yes. Here's your logo. Let me pull this off of here for a second and move this up here. All right. Here's the logo on a 4 hour right here, right? This is our logo. Boom, boom, boom. It goes up. That's cool. It's not going to, well, it's going to the daily blue line, but that's not our logo going to what we want. So watch, let me shrink this, I guess. Watch. This right here, price starts below, comes up, comes back down, hooks down, comes over. This is a logo to the blue line. You differentiate it because here's your regular buy stop, green, 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 red. Here's your fill in the gap buy stop. You see how your blue line down here went? Look, it came up. Shoop. You see how the pink line did? It came down. This is the standard look. See this right here and this right here of an upward sloping W. That's perfect. We all know, well, most of you should all know that. What matters is this is an upward sloping W to the daily blue line. That's what matters, is that this is a logo to, see how, can you see this? Look, doop, 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 doop. It's to the blue line. How does it differentiate on our charts? It looks exactly like this. Exactly like this. That's how it looks like on the charts. And it doesn't matter whether this is a 1 second, 5 second, 5 minute, 3 minute, 10 minute. Okay. So Grant says the NAS 30-minute buy. All right. So can I get maybe a show of hands? Can I get some 7 saying you understand this? I'm saying it over and over and over again, over and over and over, because it's that important. I'm drawing it out over and over and over again. Look for this style of trade. This is daily. This can take, you can see this coming from a fucking week away, for real. A week or more. Doot, 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 doot. Yep. See, look. Red down, green up, boom, hook. It also shows in our candles. This is also, it's currently a buy. I understand that it's currently a buy. Stop. I'm not saying that. I'm saying when you see this fill in the gap trade, right? Going to the blue line after you see this logo, this is what you want to trade. This is the money. That's why I took the trade. That's why I literally called out the trade and took that trade. Okay, so I am getting some 7s out here. What's up, Neville? All right, so I am seeing some 7s. We missed it. No, we didn't. I traded that live, Builder Las Vegas. I actually literally bought it just because of this. I literally said, I'm going to show you how. I didn't even care. What I was doing was showing you this. No, I think someone else actually took the trade too, right there. Now, this is the next one coming up, right? It's going to shoot up. So you didn't miss it at all. You still have the opportunity to do a normal buy stop too, but that's not what we're talking about. It's this one right here. Nope, this was called out, literally drawn out, written out, everything out for you. Hell, I traded it out with you, traded this trade with you. There you go. 10-8, buy stop, AUDUSD, daily Rick O'Shea to the daily blow. This was before that. Discord 9-4. Which one was this one? Yeah, the 9-9. 9-4, buy stop until daily line, blue line is hit by price action or sniper. See, told you. Or the sniper. There you go. And there's a daily blue line hit. No, this was called out live, a 9-4. It's going to do it again soon. It's going to come back up and do it again. But that's not what I'm teaching you. I'm teaching you to look for this exact setup. Again, this whole thing inside of here is a trade. Your buy stop you could have taken and just stayed in if you wanted to and locked in too. But this buy stop right here with the broken box, and that's usually what's going to happen too, by the way. This right here. And then you see the fill in the gap right here. The only difference I'm trying to differentiate to you when you see this fill in the gap and the buy stop, and this is your upward sloping W like this, is that it's going to the daily blue line. This could be done on it could be a 30-minute trade just like this. It could be a 30-second trade just like this. It could be a 4-hour trade like this. It could be a monthly trade like this on gold. It could be whatever time period you like to trade. Look for this exact trade and you're going to exactly win 99.999 out of 100. Oh, I'm starting to get it more, says Sally C. Awesome, Sally. That's good to hear. Yay, Sally. Okay. Good. I've gone over this repeatedly because this is the trade that will stop you all from losing anything. When you see this exact picture right here to right here, nothing after it counts, doesn't matter. Any of this shit doesn't matter. When you see nothing before it matters, when you see this pullback right there, that's all that matters, that pull down. Right inside of here, take that picture. You can see it on our candles with the red, green, how it moves back and forth. Watch. Boom, down, boom, up, down. And then what is this up? This is your first time, by the way, Ricky Bobby trade. This is a first time buy. This would be a first time, I don't know, 4 hour, 7 hour. I said 4 hour, but it might be like a 3 hour, whatever it is. We'll get to it later. Right here would be it. And this is your buy. It's so neat. And it's so common. That's why I'm repeatedly saying this over and over and over again to you guys. Please look at that. Okay. All right. Now, someone said something about 30 minutes, something or other, something. Grant said the NAS 30-minute buy. All right, let's look at NAS 30-minute. And he wants to know where to put his buy in on 30-minute. Let's take a look. Yeah, let it keep coming down. Now, the 30-minute buy, you can do your entrances anywhere you want. The lowest line, which would be the orange line, you can put it right here. Buy stop 20,339. Yep, just doing perfect. See, now it's turned into officially a 1 hour buy stop. How do we know that? Because of this right here. So now it's turned into a 1 hour buy because of that red dot right there. 1 hour buy, NAS. Again, you can continue to play the sell stop until the what? Until the 15-minute blue line is hit. I'm sorry, the 10-minute blue line is hit. I thought I said 15 though. NAS 10. We hit the 10-minute blue line. Perfectly called. That is a perfect trade. Take that money and run. That is a beautiful little trade on NAS. I thought I called the 15-minute. Did I call the 10-minute or the 15? Because the 5 is already hit. Maybe I did call the 10-minute. I just don't remember it. Well, at any rate, 10-minute is hit. You can see the perfect trade right there. It's all done. You're good. Will it go to the 15-minute? Yeah, it's definitely going to push to it. Yes. Let me see US 30 again. Where's US 30? 15 at? Yes. 30-minute. No, not yet. You're in the money on the sells on US 30. Damn, I talked right through fucking open. Shit, we missed open. Oh my God, I've never done that before. I just got to talking. Woohoo, too much information. 30-minute. Yeah, I would still play any sell stop 30-minute to the 30-minute blue line of US 30. NAS. I don't think it's going to hit its 15-minute today. It may. Let me see this. Maybe. I don't like it. If you're going to play it, keep playing those US 30 cells. I do like those a lot. Let me see the 10-minute SPX. Nice. Ricochet. It's going to arch up on SPX, come up, come back down to its 10-minute. Yeah, to its 10-minute. And then look for buy stop. 2 hour. Look for a 3 hour. Let me see the 4 hour daily. 4 hour. Nope, still needed to pull down. Again, the SPX isn't down low enough on the daily to recall this buy. I'm just going to wait. You just got to be patient sometimes. The NAS is better. The NAS is a better buy because it's lower here. It can hook and come back up. Yes, it can do that. It probably will do that. Again, like I told you earlier, I like this much better when this one comes all the way down to there. And then we see our blue line crossover like this. That's what I like. I'm going to hold on any of these little calls for you on the NASs. If you want to take that 30-minute buy, feel free. The 30-minute buy stop, I would put in, actually, it just crossed. Put it in somewhere around here at 20,359. Put it in somewhere here at 20,345. If you want to be real safe, put it way up here at 20,387 on the 30-minute line. Remember, you're going to have to be very, very patient for these. This is a nice one. You can put it here at 20,345 on NAS, demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. Let me see the 7 hour. 12 hour. Damn, I can't believe it's already 9:35. I got to go soon too. Yeah, I just not comfortable. How I would do is this. Wait and be patient. I know this is impossible for you guys. Okay, well, let's say a couple different things. A, if you don't want to be patient, buy stop US 30, 42,849. If you don't want to be patient, you can't. There's nothing to do on NAS. Nothing to do on SPX. You're going to have to be a little patient. All right, this is what I would do. Wait patiently until you see US 30, SPX, and NAS, preferably, but at least one of them, or better yet, two of them do this. Go to your daily charts, open them up, wait for them to come down to there. Wait for it to happen on US 30, and or wait for it to happen on NAS, and or wait for it to happen on SPX. Just wait. Wait and be patient. If you don't want to, put a buy stop on US 30 right where I told you, right above there. But again, I would be patient. Let the sniper reload. Let the daily pink line come all the way down. Yeah, I would. Your best shot would be US 30 to jump up. Your second to best shot would be NAS to jump up. I just think maybe if there's news in the next couple of days, they'll drop these down over a couple of days. Maybe we can get it low enough. And then we can jump back in a little bit after that. But I'm not entering any new trades on NAS or SPX or US 30 right now. I'm just not. I need this to come down further on the daily, especially US 30 and especially SPX. They're just too high. I'm not doing it. NAS at least has partially come down about halfway. So if you want to do that 30-minute NAS where I told you, feel free. Or be patient and let it just come down a little bit more. By the way, that same hook I showed you, let me be clear, that same exact hook I showed you on the daily NAS, look at it. It's right here. Price came over, price came up, price did this. It's just not going to a blue line on your 30-minute. See? Pull back and down. That's all. All right, so where were we? Yeah, that's about all I got for you, though. Not going to leave you with any call-outs. If you want to do the US 30, feel free. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. If you want to do the NAS, you can. I just think these dailies need to reload, let the pink line come all the way back down. That's what I would do. But you guys listen to me or not. NAS 100 was the 10-minute chart blue line. Oh, thank you, Harris. Yeah, I called it right. I didn't hear your 3-minute alarm this morning. I know I didn't either, Adam. Very, very good info. Worth missing the open, in my opinion. Oh, thanks, Jay. Sorry about that. No money, worries. We're in the money. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Azar. Completely. Oh, Builder Voss is saying we missed the open. I thought he said we missed the trade. Oh my God, Builder Voss probably laughing his fucking ass off. Yeah, I get into those modes where I'm into training and trying to help you guys mode, and boy, time just flies. All right, I'm going to go on TikTok. God bless you all. Have a great, I probably will not be back on. See you on TikTok. YouTube, any questions for me before I go? Real quickly, any questions before I go? That was a hell of a lesson, man. That lesson was like 30 minutes, and I didn't even think it was 5. Sorry about that. That really flew by. Damn. Sorry, Builder Voss. He said missed it. I thought he meant the fucking trade. He's talking about the open. Yeah, I didn't have my alarms on. All right. Thank you, Jay Dutta. God bless you all on TikTok. God bless you all on YouTube. Thank you all for being here. Missed the open, but you got some good information instead. So, all right. God bless.